always do it this time. I go for mine, I get to shine. Now throw your hands up in the sky. Go for mine, I get to shine. Now throw your hands up in the sky.
I'ma get on the TV, mama. I'ma push it down.
Hey, 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 hey. Welcome to the good life. When niggas are CLD, won't even get pulled over in they new V. The good life. Let's go on a living spree. Shit, they say the best things in life are free. The good life. It feel like Atlanta. It feel like LA. It feel like Miami. It feel like NY. Summertime shy.
Now throw your hands up in the sky.
So I roll through good. Y'all pop the trunk. I pop the hood. Ferrari. And she got the goods. And she got that ass. I got to look. Sorry. Yo, it's got to be, cause I'm seasoned. Haters give me them salty looks. Lowry's 50 told me, don't hear, switch the style up. And if they hate, then let them hate and watch the money pile up. The good life. I go for mine, I got to shine.
Now throw your hands up in the sky.
I go for mine, I got to shine.
Now throw your hands up in the sky. I'ma get on the TV, mama. I'ma push it down.
Hey, welcome to the good life. Where we like the girls who ain't on TV, cause they got more
ass than the models.
the good life. So keep it coming with the bottles. So she feel booze like she bombed at Apollo. The good life. It feel like Houston. It feel like Philly. It feel like DC. It feel like VA or the Bay or yay. Hey, this is the good life. Homie, tell me what's good. Why I only got a problem when you in the hood?
Welcome to the good life.
Like I'm doing the hood. The only thing I wish,
I wish a nigga would.
Welcome to the good life.
he probably think he could, but I don't think he should.
Welcome to the good life.
50 told me, go ahead, switch the style up. And if they hate, then let them hate and watch the money pile up. The good life.
Yo. What up? What's going on, yo? Hey. On the plane.
While getting some brain whipped it out, she said I never seen snakes on a plane. Whether you broke or rich, you gotta get this. Having money's not everything, that having it is. I was splurging on trips, but when I get my car back activated, I'm back to Vegas. Cause I always had a passion for flashing. Before I had it, I closed my eyes and imagined the good life.
Better than the life I lived when I thought that I was gonna go
going on, yo?
crazy. And now my grandmama ain't the only girl calling me baby. If you feeling me now, then put your hands up in
New
the
mic?
sky. Let me hear you say,
What you mean, new mic? Huh?
I'm good.
Yeah. And you say Shy City, Shy City, Shy City.
Coming home again. Do you think about me now and then?
Yeah.
Do you think about me now and then? Cause I'm coming home again.
I met this girl when I was 3 years old, and what I love most, she had so much soul. She said, excuse me, little homie, I know you don't know me, but my name is Wendy and I like to blow trees.
Hello.
I never blow her off. Niggas come from out of town, I like to show her off.
Hello. Hold on, why is the mic? Nah, this camera. Why is I don't know where I want the fucking chat to be here today. For some reason. It's fine, I'll leave it here. What up, guys? Good morning, yo. Good morning, chat. What's going on? Welcome back. Brand new day. Yeah, yo. What's going on, chat? Good morning. Today is Monday. And what a great lunch session we had, you know. As you guys can see, I had no sleep, which is perfect, you know. Perfect. Not tired, fully awake. I was here for Asian London, New York, you know, and I'll be here after the stream playing Apex. Feel cracked. No sleep, gang. Yes, sir. No sleep is honestly, whenever I have no sleep, chat, we have 100% win rate on stream all the time. Oh man. Anywho, good morning, yo. Chat. Today we are going to be trading Forex. We're gonna be trading Forex. All right. Forex. Have you ever heard of Forex? Today we're gonna be trading Forex, GPY, and XEU USD. Forex and commodities. Forex. I freaking love Forex. You me too, bro. Yeah, I do. I hit that Forex. Yeah, there was one time I was at a casino, right? And this guy was like, yo, did I tell you that story? He's like, yo, do you hit the Forex? I was like, what? He's like, do you hit the Forex? I was like, what do you mean by that? And then I guess you see my streams, like he's like, nah, like I seen it on YouTube before. I'm like, oh, okay, I see where this is going. I'm like, yeah, I guess so. It's so weird. It's like, do you hit the Forex? Like, who asks that? Do you hit the Forex? Or not even like, are you a trader? Like, do you hit the Forex? It's like I was thinking on a slot machine or something, you know? Anyways, guys, we are going to be taking a look at GJ and gold today. But first, most importantly, we're going to be taking a look at news. See what we got going on today. By the looks of it, it looks like we don't got much going on. Not a lot of pound news, not a lot of USD news. Looks like we just have straight nothing today, which is perfect. These are our favorite days ever. Look how much gold has moved today. Look how much GJ has moved today. Perfect. All price action, no catalyst. Let's get a round news folder, which could possibly happen here. But for the most part, we are going to have a chill day. But yeah, let's take a look. So starting off with gold here for the week. Let me send a Zoom link actually real quick. This camera got focus, man. That's 50 shrimp and hot girls. That's fine. All right. So Zoom link's been sent, I think. All right. So Zoom link's been sent. Let's take a look here, chat, of gold and GJ. So starting off with gold here. Gold for the weekly looks like we are I mean, this weekly analysis was sent yesterday pre-Asian, and I think we tapped daily target if I'm not wrong. I might be wrong, but I'm pretty sure we came down a tap daily target. But anyways, the monthly candle here, as you can see here, has started to flip bearish here, right? So as you can see, you closed bearish last week. Last month. And I mentioned on August 1st that after creating a top wick, once price flips bearish, we have a wick to fill. Right now, wick takes you down towards the next support at 1680. So that's the monthly target. You have about 8 days left for trading, including today, obviously. So 5 plus. But what happened to the Zoom call? I'm confused. That was weird. Don't hack me. Am I not the host? Anyways, the monthly counter here has began to drop, is dropping down here on its way to fill the wick. Our monthly target was 1680, 1700 there. And I mean, the weekly kind of looks like it closed bearish last week. Now we closed with no bottom wick. Some of you may be concerned. I wouldn't be too concerned just because it's a higher time frame. It's a weekly time frame. So if price would come up to create a top wick, you'll see it happen on a small time frame, right? You'll see it happen on like the off the daily, the forward, the 1 hour, right? As it starts to close bullish on the off the smaller time frames, you'll see the weekly drop up as well. And to create that top wick if that's what you're expecting, right? So I wouldn't be too concerned. I'm obviously bearish this week. Looking like my target's gonna be 1700, and that would match perfectly with the monthly time frame. I was looking left, you broke within this range here, and now you have this range that could possibly get filled here. All right, so your target is like 1700. Positions for me today off the daily would, I mean, oh sorry, no, before I get into that, I want to speak about the daily candle. Daily candle here yesterday or today closed bearish within this range here. I mean, this was my daily target. 1710 is the daily target today. You have a pretty big range going down. I think it's around a 250 300 pip range going down, coming down towards 1720. Our first daily target got tapped already, or yeah, basically got tapped at like 1734, but our next target is gonna be 1720. So it's gonna be interesting how we get down there, if we get down there, but it'll probably be based off the smaller time frame, right? So as you can see here, the forward candle here going to 4 hour time frame, there's a support right here at 1736. Price closed below it. So now you can expect price to drop down on this forward candle after creating a top wick. Looking left, you have clean traffic until your next support, which takes you down towards this level to the left hand side, 1728. So that's my next target. This range going down is around 60 pips going down off the forward candle. Looking for a left though, if we're able to drop through there with the daily target, then looking left, we may mirror this whole entire candle to the left hand side, which takes you down towards the 1720 mark. So there's gonna be beautiful sells today, but for us to get beautiful sells today, you probably need closures below a certain range, right? So what that certain range is probably gonna be below here. There's a support right here at 1738. And or 1732, and if you close below there, you have clean traffic coming down all the way through, coming down tap 1727. So those would be my sells if I'm looking for sells today. A closure below there would be ideal and clean. The range going down is around 50 pips, all right? And then right now you can see you have a resistance form right here at the 1737 mark. So that is your resistance that you are, or the range that you're in currently. So I probably wouldn't touch this range, to be honest, guys. I'll probably wait for a breakout. Although it's not a bad range, the range, like, the range within this area is around it's a 50 pip range, right? So it's not a bad range. It's not the smallest range. It's definitely tradable, but as of right now, I don't see any positions here just yet. I want to see this 1 hour candle close here in about 8 minutes here to see what happens, all right? But I'll probably wait for that, to be honest. So for now, you can say sells below here, closures would be ideal. This was not working? What do you mean? Check the second link over here. There you go, try now. That's weird. But yeah, that's the gold. On to GJ here. GJ for the weekly, or yeah, the monthly here looks like we are bearish. The weekly is bearish as well. The weekly actually closed doji last week, right? But it closed doji respecting this resistance here. So it's the previous candle, the previous candle closed below, right? And then this candle here closed doji, but it closed doji respecting that resistance. So I would expect this candle today to drive down, or this week to drive down towards the next support, and that takes you down towards these wicks to the left, or these ranges to the left at 160, potentially even 158. This is what you're kind of expecting for the weekly candle, for it to drive down like so. As long as it respects the previous kind of high, it should come down towards the next clean level, tapping like 158. So sells for me would probably be let's see, the daily time frame is pretty bearish. You're respecting the highs. Daily time frame came down already. My daily target today is this support to the left here, because you have a resistance here that was being respected. You have this next support down here. This is the range you're in. If you're closing bearish here, I would expect it for the rest of the range. And mirrors counter to the left hand side, tapping 160 today. So that's my daily target. Positions for me would probably be, let's see. Well, you have a support right here, right? So you have a support right here at 161,317, or more so below here. And if you close below there, you're gonna have clean traffic coming down towards the next support, which takes you down to the left hand side. Scan, probably around here to the left, 160,839, or even like 160,700. Anywhere within that range would be ideal, because basically what you're looking at here is clean traffic to the left, and clean traffic shows you this, clean traffic shows you that. So closure below there should take you down towards there to mirror those clean traffic levels to the left hand side. Obviously a closure below would be ideal, so I'll probably wait for a closure below during this New York session, and then once you close below, you should be good to drive through towards the next support, tapping 160,646. All right. So some nice sells, but again, you gotta be patient. You gotta wait for clean setups, and a closure below is what you want here today. That's what I got kind of going on right now. For price, kind of like a 30-minute fake out. Yeah, potentially a 30-minute fake out. You mean gold? Gold? Yeah, maybe, but I want to see the 1 hour close below 11734 here, probably. That's probably what you want. Yes, sir. 1 hour closes in about 4 minutes here, so I mean, we may have some sells. DJ fake out. DJ fake out. Man, day bias is bearish. Fake out sells. That's not too bad, yeah. But you gotta close above here first. Your resistance, right? That's the resistance you have here. So you gotta close above there first in order to get the actual sells. Let's see. Let's see what I do. What a clean London session we had though. Super clean London session we had in the paid channel. Obviously I couldn't stream it, right? I was London, but I mean, just hey, you know, I don't know what to tell you guys. My August on stream has been it's been all right. Like we kind of made it back, kind of. But as far as the channel, like a lot of London session positions. But I mean, that's majority of August so far for the most part. Like I feel like a lot of our positions have been during the London. Or a lot of the positions have been during London. I can't control that. I mean, I could live stream during London if I want to, but I stream during New York session. That's my main session, right? So it just happened to be moves during London, which I'm not streaming during, but it doesn't really change anything, to be honest, right? I mean, I've been staying up for a lot of London too this month, maybe a couple days. I don't think we've ever had a failed London session yet this month, to be honest, but. Does your style trading count as day trading or scalping? I'll say day trading. Scalping is like putting yourself in a box, right? And I feel like we take trades off the daily a lot too, so I'll count more of day trading. But scalping is part of day trading though. Man, this coffee is sweet as shit, man. Good morning. Sharif, Dustin, what's going on? Is it possible to grow a 10 hour account without? It's possible to grow an A account with whatever leverage, 100, 1,000, whatever you wanted to choose. It's possible, but can you do it? Everything is possible, but can you do it is the real question. right? What time to enter gold? I think around 3 a.m. Just send this link in. Okay, we have the 1 hour candle that may close up here in about 30 seconds. Oops, sorry, let me send this in. There we go. Okay, you have a 1 hour candle closing in about 20 seconds here. Let's see if we can close below here. You have a 1 hour support to the left hand side, like right here. So if you can close below here, leaving a bottom wick, perfect. You can take sells off this 1 hour candle coming down to fill the wick and fill the ranges towards 1727. But you need a 1 hour closure first, right? It's probably what you want here first. So it's probably what I'll wait for. All right, so you got a 1 hour closure. Now this is the most important part. Waiting for a top wick. Can you get an actual top wick here? Right, so if you can get a top wick, then perfect. Sells off this 1 hour count wouldn't be too bad at all. But I need a top wick, and I need a decent top wick too. Previous 1 hour stops are how big? 34. I want to see us come up to like at least, I mean, most recent resistance takes you up to the left hand side anywhere at 735, 420. So I mean, that's enough. A pip top wick here to the left, and where it's happening within this box here would be ideal. And then we can take some sell stops. All right, but I'm gonna need a top wick, obviously. Did you close our resistance? Yeah, I did. This is good. It's forming a top wick on a 4 hour candle. So I mean, the range going down here is the wick fill minimum like 161628. So if you can get a bearish closure anywhere below here on the 1530, perfect. We can get a nice onion play coming down or fake out coming down for the range. Yeah, is gold just gonna drive without us or what? Yeah, what is this? I just realized this support right here to the left. Because I earlier when I was looking at it, I was looking at it from this perspective, like this, but I'm not realizing that there's this support to the left. So I'm trying to figure out what's this over here. Rejection, 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 closure below. But the thing about this is that it's in the range. It's in the range though. And you have some range to go down at least. I mean, no issues, you have no top wick, but you are below this range to the left here, below most recent, right? I mean, worst case, what do you do here? You avoid this range and wait for sells below here, like we originally wanted, right? So this is if we miss, quote unquote, miss this range here, it's fine. But I mean, the 4 count is starting to flip bearish again. How big is the 4 hour sell stop here? Oh, that's a 7 pip top wick. Never mind. I thought it was a bit smaller. I was thinking maybe we can take a 4 hour sell stop, but what's going on, bro? It's so early and you should trade 9:30 a.m. start. Yeah, we start every day at 6:30. 9 a.m. is kind of a little late for us. What up, Wick City? What's going on? What up? What up? What up? How's your weekend? Yeah, you guys see my story? Sniper Andrew. Now I was chilling. It was chill. I mean, I didn't do anything on Sunday. I didn't do much on Saturday. Friday was chill. Went out. But Saturday they woke up kind of late. Just chilled. Yesterday just didn't do shit. Just relaxed. Played Apex. Streamed a little bit. Today it's raining all day, so I mean, let's see. I started vlogging, right? But hear me out. I mean, I did my videos this morning already. I'm trying to vlog before my stream and like after my stream throughout my day for this week. Here's the thing: if the vlog doesn't come up by Friday, you guys ain't getting it ever until next year probably. But if it does come up by Friday, 'cause I'm trying it out. I don't know how it's gonna work, but if it does come up by Friday, then it's a success. It's a success, and we might keep doing it. But no pressure. Trade's taken. Ooh, you're right. The vlog. Yeah, we're just 1 hour closer. Oh, it's hot wick, man. Too early for this, brother. Too early for that. Man, this coffee is so sweet. I can't even finish this. Jeez. Man, I can't drink sweet coffee anymore. Hit the clubs? No, I don't hit the clubs. I'm a good boy. I'm a good you. You better drop the vlog? Well, let's see. Let's see how the week goes. Of course, gold. No top way. Of course you drive. Of course, of course. Of course. It's fine. Day in life of a Forex trader. Alright guys, so gonna hop out with this McLaren here. Just got back from the auto shop. Fix the McLaren up, you know, how to get the tinted windows, and a new skin. What do you call it? New wrap. You know, got this chrome color. But then after, gonna go home and then park my McLaren and then make sure that it's clean. So I'm gonna go take it for a car wash, and then you know, park it in my condo, and yeah. After I park my McLaren, you know, I go and look at my McLaren. You know, that's my day in life. I just look at my McLaren all day. McLaren's my life. I eat my McLaren too. Ted recently? I haven't talked to Ted since like last week or some shit. It's been a minute. Nothing to talk about. Nothing to talk about, to be honest. Sell stop is placed. Ted's Instagram is really funny. I have a confession chat. I don't follow Ted. I only follow DVS, right? I mean, just because I don't follow some of those, I don't support them, whatever. Like, I still support other traders out there. I still, like, keep up with shit, but I don't follow anyone except for DVS because it's just a fam, you know? But, yeah, I don't follow Ted. So, now that he's private, too, I don't know what the hell he posts, to be honest. If, you know, I have no clue what he posts. So, count call is an L today? Yeah, I don't know why it's so bad today. I think I played down around the settings or some shit. Oh, there's the top wick. Nice. Well, we can't enter cells anymore now because we figured out that there's a support here. So we just gotta wait. Just gotta wait and chill. Not much we can do here, right? I'd be chilling. No, yeah, I don't really follow traders. Like, I need any traders though. How much the gold sells in last session? It was this candle over here, I believe. I believe it was this candle here. That was it. This is the trade. This candle opening to this candle closure. That's it. The 3M candle, right? Oh no, it was here. Sorry, it was here. 3M. This one right here. This candle. This bearish candle. This one right here. That was the trade. That's all she wrote. I sent it in Discord. It's also on my Twitter too. My Twitter has it. It's my Twitter. Right here. Yo, what's happened, Don? What you mean? What you mean, what's happened? I mean, he got like, what do we have? We have 30k subs. Yeah, he had like 160 subs or some shit. 150. That's like 5 times our subs. So, do the math. Makes sense, you know. Your stop loss? Mine was based off of the previous candle. Wait, I'm trying to remember where it was exactly. I think it was off 30-minute candle. It was somewhere. It was over here somewhere. Stops were like around 34 pips, something like that. I believe it was. It was in the single channel. Sorry, it was 38. There you go. I fixed it somewhere. 38.477. 4 pip stop. 4 pip stop, 4 or 5 pip TP, something like that. Shouldn't the support line be drawn at the bottom of the hour before the previous hour, because the support was maintained there for 2 hours? It doesn't matter how long it's maintained there for. An hour, 5 hours. When there's a support there. Look left there. This right here is where I drew it off of. 734.519 to the left. You see how you have traffic there? Below there will be sells, because below there is clean traffic. Until then, there's no sells for me, because you're at support, right? At any given point, price can just reject that support to the left and drive up. So no sells is it. Your account's stuck in a range for a month. What should you do? Wait for a breakout. Break out the range. Find a way to break out the range. No matter if it's increasing your win rate, increasing your sound, like, you know, managing your positions, working on your back testing, sample sizing, forward testing, whatever it is. But those things could break you out of that range of break even for your month, right? Find a way to break out, man. It's not hard. More sample sizing. But Don, what is sample sizing? Well, sample sizing is you collecting data on certain entries and setups, right? And then using that to your advantage for future trades. Yeah, go full margin. That as well. That works. That works. That works. Whenever we're looking for a top wick or bottom wick before our buy or sell stops, is there a specific recommended or rather minimum number of pips that price must move in order to face a stop? No, there's no. Gotta delete that message. Okay, here's me going through my DMs. Unsend. No, there's no specific pips for a top wick. It comes down to the most recent nearest support to the left, because it's all based off of price actions, right? You putting a mental pip top wick there is off of emotions, and again, price action takes over emotions all day, every day. There you go. Is there a double top on GJ 15-minute time frame? Yes, you got the M like McDonald's. Yeah, so what are you gonna do with the double top, brother? Then can you bench 15? I don't know. Let's find out in the vlog. When you enter a trade, greed or fear sets in? None. Nothing sets in. No emotions. Straight robot. Not even thinking sets in. I just see and I do. Isn't that crazy? I mean, at this point in trading, you don't really have to think anymore. That might sound crazy, but you don't need to think anymore. Once you have everything down, like sample size, you don't have to think. If people think that it takes a lot of effort to trade our way, and it does at first when you're, especially when you're sample sizing, collecting data. But eventually, that it comes so natural. Like I can wake up middle of the day, see a setup, boom, boom, boom. Like all you have to do is follow the playbook. It's the easiest thing in the world when you have it all sample size down, you know. So when people say to me like, "Oh, like don't trade on vacation, blah blah," and it's like, what do you mean? I do the same thing off vacation as well, right? It just seems proper now because they're streaming. But if we weren't to stream, like, we wouldn't be looking at the charts right now, because we know right now that for us to get a trade, you need a closure, and you don't have a closure till what time? 7:30, right? So check at 7:30. We don't have a closure after that time until what? 8 a.m. So check at 8 a.m. again. So like, you know, like when to peep and when to not peep, right? But it takes time. Like, it takes time. It takes time to get there. You can't just wake up and be like, "Yo, today I'm gonna be a successful trader." It takes a lot of experience, a lot of practice, right? It takes a lot for you to say that it's simple, because it's not simple at first. Don't get me wrong. It's definitely not simple at first. Especially the way August went, it may have not looked simple. It may have looked difficult, but it's, I don't know. August picked up perfectly fine the way every other month has picked up for us, right? Like these stats here, chat, like these averages here, like this average here isn't luck. If it was luck, it wouldn't be here. 81%, it would not be here at all. August at one point was like 4%. Now it's at 76. It picked up, but it picked up because our sample size, doing the same shit every day, right? Like every month's average is around the same, like 85, 70 range. We haven't had a lower month than that in January, but January was the first of the year, right? So I mean, no excuses, but things picked up. All thanks to Badger, yeah, exactly. But I mean, trading is very, 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 very simple, man. It's not as hard as you guys may think it is. You just need to work on your sample sizing, and the rest will come naturally. That's it. Because eventually, like, things like this may not come naturally for you now. Like things like waiting for a top wick, waiting for a closure, right? How did they close below range? Did it not? Like when those things come natural to you, you see it on the charts off the rip. Like I can go on GBP USD right now. Without me doing the whole morning analysis, I'll easily, simple, just support drawn right here. Wait for a closure below that range. Boom. Wait for a bottom wick closure. Next count comes down, clean traffic coming down towards where? Look left. Oh wait, there's some traffic here. Okay, I don't like the setup anymore. Okay, I'll wait for a closure below here instead, because this is the most recent support, right? So to the left here, if I keep scrolling, if I can go left here. Okay, I guess I can't go left there. There's not enough data there, but I mean, you guys know what I mean, right? Closure below here, it takes you down towards the next range. And if I don't like that range, then I wait for more sells below here instead. It's just natural at this point. I just break it down to you guys because some of you guys are new and you guys may not get our strategy. But I mean, go on to a new pair like USDGPY, for instance, right? Same thing. What do you have here? Well, you have the weekly, it's looking bullish. The daily looking bullish. Daily close right at resistance, so keep that in the back of your mind. Could at any given point reject. But it will only reject off the small time frame, and for you to reject off the small time frame, you need a range 2 sell. So range 2 sells would be below here, sells would be below here, coming down towards the next support down here, right? And then buys with the day of buys at any given point could be above this range to the left hand side, above this resistance over here, right? So like, you see how like simple it kind of gets over time. But you just need to, again, wake up for every session. Every session that you choose to wake up to, right? Either it's New York, London, Asian, whatever floats your boat, but make sure you wake up, tune to your session every day, mark up your charts every day, and eventually things will just come natural. Anywho, let's erase this because I don't trade this pair. Go back on GJ. Wick signs here, taking up half the screen. What's new? What do you think about trading crypto? Crypto is it's cool. But if I'm trading crypto, I'm just gonna swing long. Swing long. That's it. If you believe in crypto, treat it as an investment. If you believe in the tool that crypto provides, or you know, Bitcoin ever provides, to just buy and hold. It's not hard. Right? Unless you're intraday trading it, then different story. You can go off of price action, sure, that works as well. But if you're not, just buy and hold. Doesn't matter if you get an hour or 50k on 60k, just get in, and then just hold if you believe it's bullish long term, right? Because if you think crypto's gonna be the future, it's not gonna sit at 60k forever. It's not gonna sit at 40k forever. Eventually, it's gonna surpass 100k and so forth, right? So just buy and hold. There's not more you can do, to be honest, with crypto. You might not agree with me, but that's how I see it. Advice on size placement: 1 to 2% risk per trade. I do 2-3 trades a day, but most of the time when I make money in London time, I lose during New York time, or vice versa. I watch chart from pre-London to NY close. There's no reason to be losing during either session, so that means you need more work, more sample sizing, more back testing, right? More practice. That's it. More practice with your entries. Does this work? Nope. Trash it. On to the next. Does this work? Yep. Keep it. Add to a playlist or playbook, right? So, like, I don't know. For me, it's the same all around. Asian, London, New York's the same shit to me. Same thing all 3 sessions. The way I trade Asian, the same way I trade London, the same way I trade New York. Nothing changes, and I promise you that. It's all in your head. London's better. New York's better. Asian's better. It's all in your head, right? It's all the same shit. It's just different volume times. London opening is at 3 a.m. New York opening is at 8 a.m. Asian opening is at 8 p.m. Right? That's it. It's all the same shit though. Buy stop on Bitcoin. Sell stop on Dogecoin. Alright, so I guess you just create a top wick and it's time to reject here, which is lovely. If you can get a third closure in about 3 minutes here, sells coming down would not be too bad. Not be too bad. The low here would be ideal. Stick to one session. I honestly feel like these rules, like over the years, like I used to preach them, but over the years, I realized, I don't know, maybe it's just me. Maybe because I have more experience, but it's on your head, man. This whole stick to one session thing, this whole stick to 1 or 2 trades thing, yes, at first, for beginners especially, it helps you with discipline, but once you gain discipline, why can't you trade all 3 sessions? What's wrong with that? Why can't you trade more than 1 or 2 trades a day? I do it all the time, right? But I'm talking from my own experience. Like sometimes in the studio channel, we call like 4 trades a day. We might get them all right some days, right? I don't know. It's all, I believe a lot of it it comes down to how experienced you are and how disciplined you are as a trader. Because some days I can take 7 trades, the next day I can take 0 trades, right? When you're new, it's different. It's like, oh, I gotta take these amount of trades to make money a day. I gotta take 8, 9 trades. I gotta overtrade to make a certain target for a day. That's different. But once you get that down like that, you don't have a target like that. You just trade in this volume. That's it. It's how perceivable, man. Hold on to become profitable. I went full-time October 2019. I started trading end of 2018. So I think a year. But again, profitable is RNG. It's not RNG. It changes, right? That changes every year. The way I was profitable in 2019 is way different compared to 2020, 2021, and 2022. Things have changed. You get better. You learn new things. You adapt. You adjust, right, to new nuances. That shit takes time. But you're never the same consistent. If you are, then you're in trouble because you've reached a top and you can't break out. You're stuck in a box. That's why you never call yourself the GOAT, right? You always find ways to get better. That's fast? Well, the thing. Some people get profitable within someone out there could be profitable within a month. Someone may take 10 years. It comes down to you as a person. Are you disciplined? Like, what have you been through in life that you can put into trading that'll get you past stages that a lot of people struggle at, such as discipline? Someone might come in that FX having all the money in the world and they treat trading as a hobby and they're disciplined and they get profit within a month. Someone could come in, trying to make it out the hood, and it might take them a longer period of time because maybe they weren't disciplined, right? I don't know. That's how I kind of see it. It comes down to your learning curve, man. I'm a quick learner. In FX, I'm a quick learner when it comes to technicals, but when it came to discipline, I wasn't there. So that was my downfall when I first started trading. That's what took me so long. All right, 3J closed right at the support, did it? If I'm not wrong. Right at the support. Right at the support for me. Whenever if it closes like this and I have to look around like, did it close below? I might as well not enter because it's not a clear closure. If I'm 50-50 from the start, I'm 50-50. Like I got no clue. I don't want to enter. I want to see it clearly close below to make a decision, right? And also I want to see the 1 hour break the lows first too. If you can break the lows or if the 1 hour closes bearish, then perfect in 30 minutes though. Gold closed bullish on 30, so that's interesting. You can probably drive up here on this flip. Let's see. Can you get some potential positions? How big are stops on the 30? 19 pips. Range going up is 23. That's a perfect opening. Because if you have a support down here and this is your resistance, this is your next resistance, this is range 1, range 2. If you came up to tap the top of the range 2 breakout or resistance and you came down, create support, on top of that, the 1 hour close right at support, and you can argue and say there's no bottom wick. If you flip on this candle without breaking the lows, this thing will probably flip and drive up for the wick minimum and then tap resistance at 737. Now it just comes down. Is this kind of gonna flip, or is it gonna break the 30-minute lows first? Is the real question. However, if you don't break the lows and you flip bullish, you might get some buy stops here. The good thing about this as well, stops are very tiny too. But I mean, can you flip? I don't have any buy stops yet, but if you do flip, you can have a previous count stop, 30-minute time frame, and a TP up there. And also, you have an advantage point here of 9 pips. So the moment you come up to fill a wick fill or you fill a wick, you can go risk free. If it breaks the lows, then just delete the idea. Cross it out mentally in your head. It never worked out. Ain't bad. What's your broker? I don't got a broker, my guy. I trade on Blue markets. I don't have my own broker though. What's that guy that time? Yo, for where is Wix9? This guy just comes to the streams and just sits here. Chat, there's a very low probability we get a buy stop here. Very low probability. Because it looks like it's gonna break the lows here. If it does, well, it just did. That's why we didn't place buy stops. The 1 hour may close below at 7:32 in about 25 minutes here for us. Not bad. But you need a closure in 25. So let's see if that happens. Coma's homework? Yeah, in about an hour. Should be an interesting Coma's candle. Are we trading going to different beginning? No, I was trading US 30. Surprisingly, right? A lot of people trade US 30 last. I trade US 30 first. Speaking about US 30, we can take a look at that, sure. US 30 here. Did I already do analysis in this? Why are my levels just marked up perfectly? Is this from today? No, right? Well, US 30 for the monthly is or the weekly is pretty bearish. It's kind of in a tough area though because you're in this range here. I mean, you're just about to tap the next weekly target, which is this level to the left. Let's see how day looks. Day looks pretty bearish as well. The issue is that, I mean, you really dropped. I guess during Asian London, you dropped down towards support, which doesn't mean you could stop dropping. You could definitely still continue to drop, but sells for me for US 30 would be below here, below 33377. Below there, coming down towards next range, which is gonna be down here at the 33322 or 33321. Sells below would be the ideal, but you need a closure below first, right? So 31 hour closure below would be ideal for us to get to drive down towards next support. And if you want a clear breakout, below here will be even a lot cleaner. But it's not looking as clean today. It's looking very interesting, very choppy. I'll probably wait for NYC at 9:30 to be honest. To be honest. Huh. You know, Wix, you don't gotta show up to show me that you're here when you're not actually here. You can just come whenever you want. You know that, man. Yeah, you can just come at like 8:30 or something and just turn your camera on. Like, you don't gotta come at 7 a.m., turn your camera on, and then pop up at 8:30. You know that, right? You're free to come whenever. My man just... Ace B, yes sir. Majority of the time, I'll say 85% of the time, we will look for a topic. Yes. Correct. What's up, Wix? He be sleeping. He be sleeping. You travel and trade? Yeah, when I travel, I do trade. Yeah. Is it okay to choose as a beginner? Yeah, any pair is fine for a beginner. I don't know how people say certain pairs aren't good for beginners. If you sample size enough and you have enough practice, any pair is possible. A lot of things here in the internet chat is just recycled information. And just because it's recycled information doesn't mean it's always the best information. You know? I personally believe that everything comes down to discipline. It doesn't matter what pair, what time frame, what session. As long as you have experience and data collected into that session pair, you can do it anything you want. That's coming from me. You know, a lot of things I hear on the internet, it's just, it doesn't make sense to me. It's like, well, if I have enough sample size collected on that, and from that sample size it's profitable, then why not do it? Like, why would I trust what someone else has to say over my own sample sizing? You know what I mean? Like, as in my own, I mean your sample sizing, right? If Calvin 145 wants to sample size gold at 9:30 a.m. Eastern NYC and he sees that it's profitable, and someone else says that's not profitable, who would you rather listen to? Your own sample size data or someone else? Your own, man. Definitely your own. You're Calvin 145? Calvin with the K, not a C. You looking at gold buys? Is that range too? No. I wasn't looking for gold buys in the flip, but I didn't really expect it to respect the lows. So I had very low anticipation that I was actually gonna flip without breaking lows. I'm looking for gold sales below 1732 here. Look at this clean traffic to our left, chat. It might even drive here before we finish off here, to be honest, but if it does that, then it's fine. Jeez, 4-pair candle. Can you explain how Yana has gold? Yeah, beginning of the streams. Bond right, first breakdown. Let's go 6:40 a.m. Eastern. I did a breakdown there. Blueberry to confirm documents. I don't know. Sometimes a day, sometimes a couple days. I think they open up at 8 p.m. I think you should be good the same day, to be honest. It takes like less than 24 hours. The closure below just strat. Do you go off of the 1 hour closure? Sometimes off the lower time frame closures. I go off of the weekly, monthly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 30, 15, and the 5. And I feel like a lot of people give up after that because they're like, oh man, that's a lot of time to look at. I don't want to do all of that. I mean, that's part of trading, man. If you go on my breakdown every day, I always break it down from the higher time frame down to a lower time frame for my entries, right? I make sure all the time frames like line up and make sense before I execute the trade. Store gold, yes sir. People are gonna enter positions here in about 2 minutes throughout the 15 closure. That's fine. I'll wait for the hourly candle. Alright, market maker, you gonna wait with me or what? Pre New York. What up, Wix?
Yo.
Yeah, I hit you up at night because I was on a stream, but you weren't awake, so I decided not to stream.
Oh, you saw a perfect setup.
Yes, it was actually perfect.
I know. You don't hit me up in Asian to be like, yo, London, we're streaming. I would have stayed up. But you gotta wait for that perfect setup. So I get it. Sometimes I'm up. Most of the time I'm knocked at 3.
Fine.
Today's the first day of school for my middle one, so like I had to go to sleep earlier to be ready to get her dressed. Just spend an extra 25 minutes getting her dressed.
Yeah, I had to get Gigi dressed this morning in gold.
Oh, you smacked fucking gold, right?
Yes. Hold on, give me a second.
Yo, chat, what kind of shit is this? I just log on and he just dips. Fucking go. You know what? Guy complaining that I log on and dip, and then as soon as I turn my mic on, he's out. Unacceptable. All right. I'm doing a liquidity grab for this candle. What's your shirt say?
49 Super Bowl champs, 2000. Wait, is this 2000? I don't know what year this is. What year is this?
I don't know about that.
What year is this? Some curated vintage shirt.
That was at Super Bowl 24.
Oh no, I think it's 2000.
Super Bowl 24 was
1999, 2000.
yeah, somewhere in like 98. I don't know.
She goes hard.
1989.
Wait, was she
Yeah,
born that year?
whose shirt that is if you wasn't born then? Whose shirt is that? That's Dad?
No, it's vintage. It was like a $50 shirt.
I'm gonna say, I know Pops ain't hit the gym when he was your age.
Good one. Now what you mean? My legacy lives on. I still don't work out.
Well, that's what I'm saying. My Pops ain't hit the gym. I'm here breaking the chain, dog.
I was down, by the way. I'm 15, but sometimes I can be 21.
Don always asks me to get him a drink. I did. He's always like, "Yo, Wix, we need to grab this liquid. We need a liquidity grab."
Grab that Don Julio.
Yeah. Don, where'd you go yesterday?
Me?
Yeah.
Eat that fat skinny food.
Yeah. Where'd you find a carnival?
What do you mean? Every year Toronto has a carnival for 2 weeks. That's the best time. It's honestly the best part of the summer. That 2 week festival. It's called the CNE. They have like a bunch of food, a bunch of like carnival. It's lit. It's like where the whole Toronto goes there every year for 2 weeks.
What you ate yesterday was fucking like some shit that you had a choice about, but you decided,
Yeah,
nah, this is good.
You saw my story like a couple days ago. It was from a couple days. It was from yesterday. It was from a couple days ago. But bro, you see my aim?
Yeah, I saw your aim. I was actually telling my boy how this guy doesn't lose when he goes to fucking to those arcades. It's like, yo, anytime we're going to arcade, I gotta bring Don.
Oh man. Can you close below the range, Gold? Or will you struggle here right at the support? Find out in the next episode.
Yeah, who's battery dying?
Oh shit.
Yeah, Chad. Like there was multiple food trucks. Dude could have had a Philly cheesesteak, but he went with a fried onion.
Yo. We had pho fries.
No, all right. So he had fries.
Yo, they have this thing in Carmel called lemonade macaroni cheese.
Yo, that's fucking heartburn and diabetes all in one. Like I just fucking burped a little just hearing you say that. I fucking I got heartburn.
Where is it?
Oh,
Mac
shit.
and cheese lemonade. Yeah, that sounds fire.
Good shot. I need to go get some Tums right now.
Yo,
Shit.
mac and
Gave me
cheese
heartburn.
lemonade. You want to see it? Looks fire. I'll load it up real quick. Yo. Where's the macaroni lemonade? Nigga, clickbait this video. Nah, there's actually mac and cheese lemonade somewhere.
That's literally like poison.
Oh, I found it.
Definitely poison. Like, they figured out like a nice way to poison you. Like a lemonade.
Oh,
That's disgusting.
that's good. Looks delicious.
A drink
All that carb?
with cheese in it.
It's fire. Chow, what are you guys talking about? That's how you catch pips. That's how you catch pips at night. Yes, I was asked, like, do I sleep? That's why I don't sleep. I be dreaming about that lemonade. Ooh, 15-minute flip. Who's getting in here? Last 15 of the hourly candle. Not for us, not for me. I like to stay out because the last 15 of the hourly candle usually does pull back for a wick for the end of the 1 hour candle. So I would expect this candle to pull back a bit and wait for the 1 hour candle at 8 a.m. If it does not, then it drives. But if it does, then cool, 8 a.m. Next 1 hour candle likely is to fill the range going down. Stops in the previous 1 hour candle is pretty big, so you probably want to use a current candle stops, which is going to be if we get a top wick. Only if. If not, then we can maybe use the previous. Never mind, we have no choice but to use the current candle stops. I was going to say 1530, but those two time frames don't really have a top wick because they're right where the 1 hour candle high stops are. So you're out of luck and you gotta wait for current top wick. So did I answer all of you guys' questions just now? I know I did. Diarrhea. Hey. Gold got diarrhea right now. This thing is leaking.
Why'd you close your gold runners?
Because it could pull back. It pulled back. If it had didn't close, it would have pulled back to my entry before it drove. I closed my gold runners because the last 15 of the 15-minute candle of the 2 a.m. candle was literally a doji candle. The last 3 minutes, for some reason, although it closed right at resistance, where was it? Right here. Like, this is what I did. Last 15 closed bullish, for the 4 or 5 minute candle, and then the 2:30 candle drove down. The last 2 minutes it drove down and closed bearish because the 1 hour was gonna close, right? I'm like, oh, it's gonna close doji, no way. It ended up closing bearish the last 2 minutes here after the 15 closure. I was not even expecting that. It was like right here, right? So I was like, okay, I'm gonna close it, wait for the alley candle, and then obviously the alley candle opened up.
Top wick.
No top wick. I'm like, oh, great, lovely. So I was like, you know what? It's all
If
right.
you survive that candle, just the next 15, you're good for the night.
I was like, you know what? It's all right. I'll catch you later, gold. And then we caught it down here.
When did you catch it down there?
3 a.m.
Oh, that wasn't that same thing that activated? I thought that was the
There was
prediction.
the other one was 2 pips we caught. We closed at 2
Oh.
pips, and then the other one we closed at 30. So yeah, I mean, not a bad day so far. 2 trades today, 2 wins, or 1 win basically, 1 break even.
When he says day chat, his day started yesterday.
Hey, so who listened to my theory of the last 15-minute pull and back? If you listened to my theory, congratulations, you have not been stuck in this trade here. But if you did not listen to my theory, you would have been clapped here, right? So that ain't sound too good, but you're pulling back your last 15 of the rally candle, and it doesn't look too good for your account right now, right? Chat. I don't just say random shit. I don't just spit random stuff out. I say things off of my own experience. And we've been repeating this 15-minute theory thing for the last 2 years here, right? So, it ain't the first time. Also won't be the last time, obviously, right? Clutch though. And for those that didn't listen, it was probably now punching the air like, fuck, man. I knew I should have listened. Well, at least now you know, and now you learn. Because yes, some days it might feel good to enter the last $15 account because it drives. But over a long period of time, you already notice that, okay, shit doesn't happen quite often. And that's when you're like, maybe I should start taking notes in the last 15 of the ad account, all right? Do you even sleep? Nope. Maybe. Sometimes. I will sleep today, don't worry. Eventually I'll sleep today.
You'll sleep good today. you know how when you sleep real good after garlic. Eat some garlic. You sleep alone. You sleep good. Will this analysis also work in option buying?
I got no clue. I never trade options.
I mean, it's candles. Shit. I don't know. Options. Stock. Anything that can give you a candle. Probably the fucking, I don't know, the betting aisle in Walmart.
Yeah, you guys like the new shorts channel? Actually, I'll show you guys in a bit. We made a new shorts channel and we have a new display picture for it.
Hopefully it's longer than Marcus's.
What? Where's Marcus's?
Hopefully... Marcus is the multiple Marcus.
MM?
Bro,
You know-
who sleeps when New York session's about to open? People from Cali sleep.
You know? Some people don't trade New York session. You want to sleep when I'm sleeping? What time do I sleep then? You guys hear the music? Man. Hello, mic check. Mic check. Mic checked. Wix on talk. There you have it.
Straight up before jail.
Can you please analyze USD CAD? Why'd you ask it like that? Can you please analyze USD CAD? Why was that emoji, bro? Shit. Trying to make me feel bad or something? I guess I'll analyze USD CAD.
You might be down bad right now.
Bullish. All right. USD CAD weekly is so many gaps in this. Let me just change my broker. Weekly is looking pretty bullish, but it's in a very ugly range at the top of the range that was once rejected off of in the past, or previously rejected off of many times in the past. The daily is pretty bullish today, though. You can say day time frame has range today to drive up towards next resistance, which takes you up towards this level to the left hand side at 1.3051. So buys for me today will be above the most recent resistance, or maybe even a potential fake out, probably above here for buys, up here going up towards next resistance, which takes you up to the top of the range at 1.30153. Those would be some pretty clean buys, and then obviously more buys above there towards next traffic to the left hand side. We have a support down here, so this is the range that you're currently in. I wouldn't touch this range if I were you, to be honest. But above 1.30153 going up towards next resistance, or sorry, above 1.30167 going up towards next resistance would be pretty ideal, and that should take you up to the left hand side towards the top of the next range, which is gonna be around here to the left hand side. But yeah, USD CAD, I will focus on probably just this range here, to be honest with you. From 1.229 to 30, this 20 pip range going up. I'll wait for a closure above there and take buys going up, but this range, stay out. The range that you're gonna spend the majority of the New York session in today. All right, GJ gold. How did gold close on the 1 hour candle? Gold to close, of course, no top wick, of course. Closed bearish on the 1 hour time from below the range we wanted. So sells are definitely clean, but again, you need a top wick. And as for GJ closed bearish at the top of the range as well. Can you potentially get a 30-minute onion play here, or 1 hour onion play? This wick to fill is around 20 pips. Range going down is around 45. Yeah, you had a 15-minute fake out, or yeah, 15. Not really a fake out, but you have an onion play on a 1531. Gold is the main focus here, but gold of course drives with no top wick. What's new here today?
I think you want that to close bear.
Where?
GG.
Oh. Chat,
Well, there's plenty of range to go up on, to go down on gold once it makes the top wick.
Yep. You can stop. Yeah, you can stop self stops later if you got a top wick, as long as it doesn't break the lows here. But it looks like it looks like it just might break the lows and drive maybe. But I won't be in. I need a top wick here, chat. See, be disciplined. Stay true to yourself. Don't just hop in because you feel like it. Don't say fuck it and hop in because you want to make money on a Monday morning at 8 a.m. You want to be patient and wait for long-term probable setups.
GJ onion possibly would rather have it be a fake out. We can get a
man. I don't know what to tell you guys. Shoot. So, vegan trader, what's going on? What's going on, brother? My headphones died. Wix, you need to get a microphone. Oh, Wix, I do not charge your headset. You can't plug it in and talk at the same time. Shit don't work. Or use your webcam mic. That might not be too bad. Sounds like good. Yes, chat. His microphone died. Let's go. Quiet. Chat. I mean, Wixon, use your change your mic output on Zoom. You might have options. Might be your microphone. You might even have a CPU mic. To be honest, who knows? It's interesting nowadays. Everything got a microphone. Drop down your Zoom arrow and see what you got. Something's gonna work eventually. Your webcam is definitely gonna work. I'm pretty sure. All right, Gold. Can you give us something sweet here? Because the viewers are waiting for me, and if I don't get to trade, I'm not gonna get any viewers. I'm flying. This is the point, guys. The point is to educate. Bless to you and your team. Hey, appreciate it. Bless to you and your degree. Your degree fee. I'm glad you paid it off. All right, go drive down. Yep, go buy yep. Go ahead, do your thing, Gold. Apex. If you don't have a topic here, can Comex possibly drop his price up to create a topic before we drop him back down? Possibly. Potentially. Yo, Wix is on timeout mode right now. Look at him. Can't talk, can't do anything. It's like he's muted. Hey. Face the wall for 15 minutes. Taking out the Punisher back then. You had to face the wall for 15-20 minutes. Couldn't say a down word. The corner just there. Like, what can you stare at the wall? Please invite Uncle Ted. We are missing him. Let's us have some advice from him. He's just gonna tell you that you guys are dumb and that you guys are stupid and you need to work a job before you make money in Forex. That's all he's gonna tell you guys. Man, people are stupid. And then he's gonna go on and talk about how you know, obviously you think some insight about gold, right? But then he's gonna go back to telling you guys to, you know, work a job. Ted has been on the live streams for, I don't know, it's been like since May, June maybe. I think last time he was on the live streams. GJ? I mean, it's about to break the 1 hour highs here. It looks like we're not gonna flip. Now, I really want to go sells here, but unfortunately, it's just we don't have any closures here. But this is when people full enter. That's fine. Where I got 727, look left. You have this whole 1 hour candle that could get mirrored here to the left hand side, coming straight down towards 721. 27 just the next minor support to the left / 30-minute support to the left, I believe. But overall, you can drive all the way down to 17, like literally 1721 for all we know. So let's see. You have a lot of range today, chat. I wouldn't be too pressed over this push, to be honest. Like, I wouldn't be too upset or anything if I were you guys, because it was out of your control, to be honest, right? It's not like, I mean, no one took a loss today. Justin didn't take a win today, but that's okay. What's the worst that's gonna happen? You finish out the session with no trades or BE, right? I'd rather do that than take a stupid trade because I want to take a trade to make money. It makes no sense. You don't want to force any stuff, right? GJ, nothing much I can do here. GJ, 1 hour closed bearish, broke the highs. There's no sells here. There's no buys here. It's a range one breakout. But I mean, if you flip here off the 1 hour candle, which could possibly still happen, look left there. All these candles at one point have looked like this. They all were respecting resistance, and they all left the wick. So if you flip bearish here still, you can still get a nice sell coming down. This could just be a 15-minute fake out range one. Sells on a 1 hour count wouldn't be too bad, but it comes down to how big stops are, right? At this point. But I mean, until then, there's nothing you can really do here, to be honest. You have comics open in about 12 minutes. What's the best time to trade, Don? From pre-London to New York Open or pre-New York to New York Open? 6:30 to 10 a.m. Eastern. You want to be checking the charts every 30-minute candle, every 1 hour candle. Let's see if there's volume, see if there's anything happening. Your main priorities are going to be 8 a.m. opening, New York session opening, 8:20 COMEX, 9 a.m. and 9:30 NYSE. 9 a.m. because of 4 hour candle, NYSE because it's NYSE, 8:20 because it's COMEX, and 8 a.m. because it's New York session opening. Those are your most crucial and critical times to trade. Area of value? Yes. Any bots in the comment? It's one bot. It's one bot just telling you to follow its instructions. It's because people do experts point blah blah blah, and a link comes up, right? So that's what is the bot. It's our bot though. You're trading at 100? Nope. Will I trade it? Nope. Maybe one day, but as of right now, I have no ideas. You posted a video on YouTube, then deleted it, pretty sure, right? By accident. It wasn't officially uploaded, but it'll be up eventually, sometime this week, maybe today after stream. I'll just change the channel overnight, to be honest. If you guys want my video section now, I don't got any VODs up, only the last one up. Overall though, it's just videos now. And if you go on the homepage, you go down, you see all the live streams here. It's in the play. It's in this playlist here, so you guys can check it out. But it's all here, man. Don't worry. Live streams will forever be here. It's just, it's not on my channel because I want to keep it more organized. I don't want to have just VODs and shorts everywhere. You know what I mean? It's all here, man. Don't worry. Live streams will forever be here. It's just, yeah, here. It's not on my channel. But yeah. Trying to buy gold?
Ain't gonna happen.
Kidding. We're just kidding, guys. I hope the best to everyone taking positions. Just came back. Spoon feed me. Wait for a closure. Give it. Wait for COMEX. That's your spoon. Wait for COMEX. Be good. COMEX is an 8:30. There's no news today 8:32, so you're good. 8:30 may get a position, but just be patient here because COMEX open may actually create a top wick for us for the 1 hour candle, or it may just drive. Who knows? But again, you have this 15 closure in about 2 minutes here. If you close below, you may get some sells. 8:15. I mean, let's see what happens here. Let's see. Yeah, you have no news, right? Yeah, no news at all. 8:30, you have CAD, AUD tonight. That's about it. No US minor or major news. Patience. No top wick. VS FOMO entries down here. Right? That's the second time. If you full entry today, it's the second time you would have got flipped. So patience 1 or patience 2, FOMO 0 today. Some days FOMO wins, but let's see how often FOMO actually wins over patience every day. Get paid to wait. Yes, get paid to wait. Sup, dude? Hope all is well. What up, Terrence? Yes, you're right. Number 1 is key. I mean, number 1 is patience. Number 2 is consistency. Number 3 is discipline. Yes, number 1 is key. Oh, brother. What about your USD? I'll try your USD, brother. Ooh, this fits into close right support. Tough. Chat, this 15 on GJ closes no top wick. You may get the next 15 that drives that or the 1 hour that can flip here off that 15 no top wick. I guess not close of a wick. I mean the 1 hour can still flip. If the 1 hour flips, chat, I believe high chance you have to come down the field of range, man. But I mean I'm not gonna add any sell stops or anything just yet because this thing could just drive up and we just waste our time adding the sell stops and inserting the inputs, right? So, all right, here's the thing. Comex open here. Here's the update for Comex open. Her homework every day, all right? Comex today is interesting because 8:15 candle, or sorry, the 1 hour candle is bearish, right? Keep that in mind, but it has no top wick. And the 15 here closed bearish right after support. And there's a resistance here, which means that this is a range that you're in. So, could Comex today, Comex open, sorry, Comex, same shit, right? If Comex open today can pop up, create a top wick, and then flip bearish, since Comex open is at 8:20, and you have a 30-minute candle at 8:30, close 8:30 below the range. This might be a long shot, but in terms with volume, that could happen. With a Comex open brings that volume, this could possibly happen. You close below the range, perfect sells at 8:30. But again, you need Comex to do this thing. Comex can do 2 things. It can drive down, it can drive up, right? But what I do know is that 8:30 gives you that closure. And if you get something like this at 8:30, I would be in a position at 8:30 coming down to fill the range here, coming down towards 1727. But let's see, you have about 3 minutes, 4 minutes to Comex here, and it looks like this 15 is driving down here. Exclamation point Comex in the chat. You're on sales in USD and you're losing. What are you in a buy or sell? Where'd you get in? What time Eastern? Chat, I'm gonna place a sell stop on GJ here. Sorry, not gold, GJ. Sell stops at 161,701 here, all right? Sell stops here in a 1 hour candle. Stop loss will be the current kind of high for around 24 pips. TP is down here for around 43. This is a sell stop we have though. 161,701, okay? If it re-breaks the highs, we delete. You hear that? If it re-breaks the highs, we delete the sell stops. But GJ sell stops here for me. Because if GG's creating a topic here, and since the 1 hour candle is still below his range here, right? Or it closed below the range still, we can at any given point drive down and flip once you flip bearish to fill the wick to the left hand side, right? So it'll be an onion play basically. And slash onion play slash 15-minute fake out for the 15 close above. If it breaks the highs, we delete them because stops are kind of bigger after that, right? Or we wait for a 30-minute candle instead. G definitely bullish. Well, if it re-breaks the highs, it may possibly continue to drive up, but we won't be in buys after that. We got sell stops here though. 161701. There's a very low chance we do get activated though. So, but if we do, then perfect, we're in. Gold Comex, what's gonna do? So the 5-minute close below bearish. Okay, yep, there's candle. Nice. So the 5 close below bearish, and this next 5 likely to drive down towards next support now. Comex open. There's our Comex open on gold. Again, that 1 hour entry would have been clean, but no top wick. 15 here. Close respecting. I mean, we still don't have a 1 hour top wick, but that 5-minute candle pre-Comex day close bearish give you an onion. Obviously, we're not in or anything. We have GG sell stops, which we are about to delete here because we rebroke the highs. So there's a lower probability of this candle to drive down now. We may have to wait for the 4-hour candle on GJ. Now that we're breaking highs, I mean, we could even pop up towards next range, but there's no bias for me. But yeah, deleting GJ sell stops. I didn't really have high expectations for that anyways. Because very low chance it actually does flip, but it was if it does flip, right, where it was valid. Alright, well, here's the thing about GJ and gold. You both have 30 closure in about 8 minutes here. So if you can close bearish on gold the next 30-minute candle in about 8 minutes, you got a nice wick fill coming down to fill the rest of the range. Or you might just drive here, but let's see. Give it the next 8 minutes here. How come he has stops on GJ? Because same thing happened here. You broke the highs. You were still below the range here, right? Don't ignore, even though we're up right now, don't ignore the fact that we're still respecting this. So at any given point, with the 15-minute being a range 1, you could have got a fake out, right? So that's what we're anticipating, which could still happen, but I mean, we don't have anything right now. But I mean, look at the 1 hour candle. Close respecting. This 1 hour candle can do the exact same. It hasn't closed yet. It has 37 minutes left. It can easily still close bearish below range slash fill the range for all we know, right? So that's why we have sell stops there. It just came down to stops. Current candle highs. Let's see. Give it 7 minutes here. So let's see how this 30-minute candle closes. Comex candle came up. Nice. Can I get a top wick? Can I close below on a 30? That's a lot of ask for. You have 7 minutes left, but that'd be great. But worst case scenario, guys. Worst case scenario, you get a 4-hour candle. Closure on gold and GJ at 9 a.m. and the 4-hour candle is likely to drive down for gold at 9 a.m. I mean, overall, this move to the left should get filled as long as we close below here the next 4-hour candle. It's likely to get filled the next 4-hour candle coming down towards 1720, 1717 today. So the day's not done yet. You have a lot of range. Just be patient, man. Yeah, GG can still give you a fake out for sure. Yeah. Still a range around the 15. What about XPX? No comment. You see the top left of my screen? Which, oops, I gotta delete that CPI. How come no one told me that? GJ and gold. Go to GJ. That's my focus today. Let's see, third closure below in 5. What's that said? 10, 15 minutes, he said, right? It's been almost an hour now. Man, wake up. Panwick. I can't. He's the leader of the pack. Oh man. You know, I forgot I have a laptop chat. I forgot I could like do different things on different devices now. Like I need to make more use of my devices. I got how's a cardboard straw? Hey, free the turtles. I got this shit. I got this shit. I got an iPad, right? And I got a laptop that can do a lot of work and a lot of stuff. And I yet still use my phone. Yeah, I need to take advantage of these devices, man. That's my iPad as a whole monitor. That's an iPad. Use the iPad second screen for chat. What do you mean? I have 3 monitors here in front of me. Why would I use an iPad when I have 3 monitors in front of me? I can't see that chart, brother. You gotta join Discord and send it there. Ooh, okay. 15 top wick. 2 minutes left for a third closure. But why would I put it under the middle screen? I don't need 3 monitors though, to be honest. Like 1 monitor has my Spotify on it. Dustin deleted it. Yeah, 1 monitor has my Spotify. One has my OBS stream chat, and 1 has my this stuff right here. Whatever you see on my screen. Our brand's your monitor. I got a BenQ Zowie 256K, something like that, and then I have a two Asus 246 hertz and 165 hertz. or 60. I forgot. But one's 250 for sure, or 260, 240. Well, it's 260 hertz, but it's probably capped at 240. Show your desktop setup. A new one. I posted before. If you want to send me, if you want me to look at your charts, chat, yes, that's join a Discord server and send it there. Charts for a stream over here. Nav with the 100 runner. Good shit, my brother. Faster day is bearish plus auger day. 30-minute close below support. Enter on the next 30-minute candle. Lovely. Lovely. Oh, guys, you have a third closure here. No wick. This may be a long stretch, but if this next candle, since it closed below, we are obviously expecting to drive down a foot of range, right? But we need a top wick. If you can get a top wick, aka come up, create a top wick, and then come down like this, perfect. We'll be in a sell. But you need a top wick for the previous candle. Or I need one. Or a current candle even, right? Unfortunately, that's just what I'm waiting for. Worst case, you wait for the 4 candle close in about 29 minutes for 9 a.m. and you have all this clean traffic to the downside. But you have those options there. No top wick, no issues for me. I will not bite on them. Just be grateful you guys didn't get clapped today. Well, if you're on my stream, you didn't get clapped. Don, GJ? Yeah, GJ closed above on 30, but it's a range 1 breakup for me, so there's no bias for me. I'd rather get gold buys above here to the left hand side. GJ buys above here for range 2, or maybe even above here. But at this point, you probably gotta wait for the 1 hour candle to close, which is also the 4 candle close. So you might get a potential 4 hour onion play going out to retest the highs in about 29 minutes here, but I'll wait for that, to be honest, for GJ. Gold may just drive for it, to be honest, about top wick, which is fine. No need to get angry over it. Maybe one of those days? Eh, not really. We had lunch session sales. I know, it was during the stream. It sucks, I know, but I mean, it was in the sale channel. I mean, you know what I mean? So got it. Just in London, you know? I'll stream London. It's alright. You probably want to wait for the 4 account because at this point, though, like most likely, there's a 9% chance we won't get a trade now until 9 a.m. candle closure, right? Which is the 4 account closure, which is pre NYC. So I'll wait for that for all you guys. Hey, yo, chat. Almost at 30K on IG. Appreciate it, guys. Jeez. Any memes today? No memes today, Nav? You're lacking. Hey, tier 1. Jasmine Lim, I appreciate it. Thanks for supporting.
She moved out of state and shit that went left. She seeking forgiveness. She used to dance, but she went alone and start up a business.
That woke me up. You know what else will wake you up?
She's a runner, she's a track star.
Oh shit. Wait. Don, where? Don, you got cells? Where did you have cells done? I just got back from my nap. Yes, Gold. Keep pushing, Gold. Keep pushing so everyone in chat can have FOMO. Yes, have FOMO, guys. Yes, have FOMO. Let's watch a candle up close so you guys have more FOMO. On top of that, when you guys have FOMO, you guys can also hear this sound playing at the same given time. Huh? How's that sound? Let's fuck with you guys. Hey, who had FOMO and entered? Ah, shit. FOMO. FOMO. Hey, every time you guys have FOMO, I'm gonna play that sound so it's, you know, it brings you, it puts you back in your place. There's no need to have FOMO. Market the year tomorrow, the day after, right? That's a FOMO psychopath. Let's give some check down, yo, everyone. Gotcha. Is that Thames? Yeah, it's Thames. Don't scare people like that. Hey, it's love though. It's all love. "22 minutes, guys. You guys hang on. Don't worry. Doesn't hang on." It's like the banks are like watching us like, "Oh, Don streaming? Open this candle, no top wick." Shit, alright. I guess after some time we could adapt, right? Every year we adapt, chat. Every year we adjust and adapt. So who knows? Maybe over a period of time, we'll figure out that 1 + 2 = this. And that means we can enter this trade when it doesn't have a top wick, right? Who knows? Maybe next year, if this happens, then this is okay to enter. But until then, man, I'm still sticking to my current playbook, right? Current sample size playbook data that we have collected. But yeah, who knows? This may change next year. Again, people who say, "Aren't you afraid that the banks watch us?" First of all, I don't think the banks care, to be honest, that we're streaming. We have 1,000 viewers watching. Even if we had more than 1,000 viewers watching, I don't think they would, to be honest, care about a retail trader trading on YouTube, you know. But if they did and they wanted to change it up a bit, then easy, just adapt, just like we adapt every year, right? So it's nothing new, right? Like the banks, yeah, exactly. I don't think they care, chat. I don't think they care about some retail traders, man. A lot of people would say, yo, Don, like, aren't you afraid about the banks? Nope. I've been getting order blocked every day of my life for the past 3 years. I'm completely fine. I don't know. I think a lot of people just make things up, to be honest, sometimes, just because a lot of traders, that's like obviously like especially new traders, right? They like to, like, every time they hit stops or something, they like to blame something from the market. So they make things up like, oh, the banks trapped me, the banks manipulated me. Like, no, man, the banks didn't manipulate you. You just have to do better. You have to find a way to avoid these moves in the markets, right? If you get quote unquote faked out, okay, go on, move forward, look for ways to avoid those situations. Don't sit there like, the bank's got me, I can't do anything about it. No, there's ways to avoid those situations. You have to find a way. You just have to find a way to avoid those situations, right? By sample sizing, back testing, more work, more practice, right? Eventually you overcome those outcomes. But there's no such thing as the banks manipulate me, the banks trap me, right? You're making things up. You're making excuses for yourself to not do better. Do you want to settle down with that? Someone once told me you can't avoid fake outs. Right? I'm not gonna tell you who, but someone once said, a very known person in the industry said you can't avoid fake outs, right? Now, don't get me wrong. People have different descriptions for fake outs, but it was very similar. We spent 2021 almost half the year, from 2020 to 2021, like 6 months, collecting data on fake outs and how to avoid fake outs, right? And then we found a way not to avoid fake outs, but to increase the probability of us avoiding fake outs. And that was from sample sizing, back testing, experience, right? And now we even figured out how to catch the quote unquote fake out that they say, right? So there's ways around everything. Just, again, your own sample sizing, your own homework leads you, to that. You have a video? Yes, we have a video. The video actually explains everything that goes down right here. How to avoid false breakouts in trading. This explains like how we discovered it, right? It's 2020 February 12th or 2021, and then it breaks it down, what it is, how to get entries with it, blah blah. It's a 20-minute video. It's on our YouTube channel. Check it out. Have fun with it. But yeah, we have videos on it, right? And that's why our win rate in 2022 has gone up compared to 2021. Like, these are stream stats too, so these stats aren't capped, aren't lied about. They're all from the streams. All the plays are on the trade, the timestamp, the time of the stream, all of that, the links to the stream, every single trade we take, all the losses, all the wins, all the break evens, nothing to hide. And this win rate is there for a reason. But yay, 2021 the win rate was a lot lower, man. Exactly. You don't think about put your time in. Like when August had a when August started off bad, I didn't sit there and say, "Oh, markets were chopped," Because if you're experienced enough, if you have enough experience, you understand that I lost my train of thought. But like I didn't sit there and say, oh, markets were chopped and that's why I lost my trades. Oh, there you go. Because like if markets were rangy, you wouldn't be trading in the first place. You have enough experience. You have enough experience and discipline to stay out the markets if it was ranging, right? So like when we had a rough start to August, I wasn't sitting there like, oh, you know, August has been bad because the volume was low, and like I didn't make excuses like that. I just said our plays didn't play out. Simple as that. All right, we have an 80% win rate though. 20% of the time it doesn't play out. Sure, August started off 4%, but look at it now. It's at like 76, something like that, right? Almost 80. So continue to do the same thing every day. Things will just come naturally, man. Like I don't even force any subs. It just comes naturally, and it just ends up the month being 70 plus, 80 plus, right? Never make excuses, man. Like there's no reason to make excuses or blame something in the markets. If you're experienced enough, you wouldn't be in that situation in the first place, right? All right, so you have the last 15 of the 4-hour candle, the last 15 of the 1-hour candle. What do you guys think is gonna happen here? Could we drive down? Possibly. Could you also reject to leave a top wick for the 4-hour candle or bottom wick? Sorry. Yes, that's probably what you want. So let's see. You have 14 minutes left. Again, at this point, you want to wait for the 4-hour candle close / the 1-hour, and then after that, you may get some positions. All right. That's probably what we'll wait for. Which leaves a wick for the 4-hour candle, which is good, which is perfect. Am I seeing it right? 3 losses about wins in August so far? In the singles channel? What? Singles channel, we have 6 losses, 20 wins. This is our the most. Actually, no, I take that back. We took more losses before, but in the singles channel, I think. No, sorry. I think 6 was the most we ever took in the month before. Before that was 5 or 6 in June, but on stream though, we've taken 3 losses this month, which is quite a bit. On stream, we usually take around 3, 4, nothing more than 4 a month though on stream. How many dubs? It's on the spreadsheet, guys. It's public. You guys have access to this shit, you know? You guys have access to this stuff. It's not capped. It's public. Right there. The command right there, Nightbot just send right there. In August runners, I think one. That's how our thing went up. I think 1. It was this 84 pit runner on the 17th of August, a couple days ago. Your win rate 2020, 2021. We didn't calculate 2020, but 2021 was like 65, 60 around there. How can we include your break evens in your 80% win rate? We do. What do you mean? Break even is break even. That's not a win, it's not a loss. It's just 0. It's just wins and losses. No? Am I tripping? Am I high or you're high? Which one of us are high? How do you include the break even? Win? Loss? I mean, it sounds like a complaint eventually. No, but break even is not a win. Which is high? Yeah, where is Wix? This guy's not in here. This guy dipped off. Technically, a break even is a win, but I mean, I don't want to count as a win because then people are gonna talk and say, but, you know. So we just keep it as just be. Anyways, how have you guys been today, chat? What did you guys do today? Some people took gold buys. Gold buys. Did you win? Did you lose? We caught London session sales. That's about it. Nice. GSLs. Busy back testing. You know what we should do that's better than back testing? Forward testing. Forward testing. A lot better than back testing. Live markets, right? Live emotions, live reactions. A lot better. Try it. Because when you backtest, you don't know the conditions of news and all that. You're just looking at previous candles, right? But when you forward test, you have all. I think live trading, but it's just backtesting. What's forward? What's forward testing? Sample sizing. What we do on a daily basis every day. So if you do exclamation point comics in the chat, we talk about comics every day. 820. The idea was brought up to us by Ted in February when he came to our streams, January, February, and we've been sample sizing it every day since 820. So 815, 820 is when we really lock it in. We peep what happens and we keep a collection of data to determine what happens, see if we're accurate, and then by next year, 2023, we're gonna add that to our playbook. So we spend at least 6 months minimum on new concepts before we include them in our playbook, not just all right, well, that looked like it worked yesterday, I'm gonna try it out today. No, that is gambling. So that's what forward testing is, right? Yo, Megalyn 2K, I've thought of that before, to be honest, but can you imagine? It's like a 2-minute rant of me talking about it. The whole chat would just memorize it by now, the whole script. I mean, we have a command for it, same thing, right? All right, we should take out space here. I don't know. I'm just gonna take off my screen. I think that a 4 on gold can reject and go up. Um, we spoke about it already. Look what time it is. Why is it go rejected now? Why is it pushing up? What time is it? 8:45. Could we be possibly pulling back for the 4-hour candle close for a wick fill? Think of the last. Think of any candle. Pick a time frame. You know, from like the 1 minute till the daily. Your prediction is probably you're probably thinking of a 30-minute time frame, right? 30-minute time frame. Look at every 30-minute candle. What does it have at the end? 80% of the time was to leave. Wick, 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 wick. Right? Same as the fucking 4-hour candle, right, chat? Same thing on a higher time frame. If we close without pulling back, what happens? 4-hour candle will close with no bottom wick. Therefore, there's not enough range to drive down, right? But if you pull back, then you leave a potential wick fill to drive down for the next candle. So that's why this candle here could potentially close below and fill the wick to drive down towards the next support. So I mean, you have about 4 minutes left. I mean, the further you pull back, the better it will be for the wick fill. And then I mean, it'll be great positions, right? But until then, we may not get anything. Why you been cussing more? I've been watching a lot of Gary V. Gary V. He cusses every sentence. Nothing wrong with cussing. Not like I'm cussing in a bad way. Sometimes when I cuss, see that memory, what I just explained to you now is probably more, it's probably easy to remember now that I cussed. You're probably like, oh, remember that one time when Don cussed when he explains to me? You probably remember that more than if I weren't to cuss. Would I strike your stream? Not, I mean, I don't think YouTube catches that like that. I don't think cussing strikes your stream. If anything, it won't be for kids, yeah. But my streams aren't made for kids anyways, right? I already have that setting up on YouTube. Kids can't watch it because, or kids could watch it, but it's age restricted to 18 plus. I mean, I've cussed before in the streams. We watch, I mean, Wickstein cusses all the time. Streams still up, my guy. It doesn't strike your tongue. It just detects as like 18 plus whatever. That's it. But it doesn't strike it now. I'm 19 on watching. Oh, you explode yourself. Look at the top of the screen. Yeah, we had that idea when we changed our overlay. We changed our overlay, like, this overlay has been around for, I think, I mean, we were the first. I'm not gonna say I think. We were the first to have this overlay on our streams. We were the first to have this overlay. The time at the top, the pairs focus, the trades, no, not trades. The record on the right, like the chat on, you know, like people were live streams first, but we were the first to make it like put it in the like kind of, I don't know how to explain it, like streaming community base. We gave it like a streaming, we gave it like a streaming community, if that makes sense. No, I want to say like, you know how like the game community, the streaming community, the gaming community has like their own like vibe to it. I feel like we didn't like, it was lacking that at first, right? So that's kind of what we brought in. When you see we, I'm referring to Devious when I say we. Bro, this guy don't read our comments. I've been reading comments all day. What do you mean? What do you mean? I mean, you're screaming at me asking, bro, I swing trade, but I have a problem with news in the week. Okay? What news do you have in the week problem with? Like, what? How am I going to answer that? There's not enough info. I swing trade, but I have a problem with news in the week. All right, well, what's the problem? What's wrong with the news? Is it affecting your trades? How is it affecting your trades? Is it news that's affecting the trade, or is it the swing trade? Because technical analysis lines up with fundamentals half the time. All right, chat. You have a 4 account closure here on gold. Nice top wick. Is looking great. Again, you close. You have this clean range of drive down for the wick minimum, but again, it comes down to stops. You need a current count stop here. So, I mean, you can't have a previous count stop. Stops like 82 pips, but you can't have a current count stop. So looking left here, your most recent resistance is still not here. The most recent resistance is like up here probably. Anywhere like I'm probably expecting like 1733 to get tapped, or maybe like 1732. Anywhere here to the left would be great. You come up tap those levels, you flip bearish, we'll have a sell stop coming down. And our TP on a forward candle, since it's a forward trade, would just be 1721 to be honest. But again, it comes down to current candle stops, right? Because if it was previous candle stops, I would 100% have a sell stop right here already. But since the previous candle stops are like 80 pips almost, I can't have that, right? So I want to use a current candle stop, which I'm forced to wait for, which could come, but let's see. It's only the first 2 minutes here. It can come within the next 10-20 minutes, who knows. But until it taps 33, I would not have a sell stop. And then you have the wick to fill, which is your advantage point, right? This would be your advantage point, and then the rest of the target would be down here at 1721. News affecting my trades, then maybe you shouldn't be swing trading. Maybe you should be scalping in between the news. I mean, if anything, news should play along with your swing analysis. You should be going with the swing direction of the news. With tentacles, right? When we anticipated the monthly count this month on August 1st, when we did a breakdown for the monthly to drive down here towards 1680, sorry, we didn't go off of news. We went off of technical analysis. But it just happened to be so that news, FOMC, NFP all play along with the gold cells, right?
Oh, hey.
Hey. The mic's back. Why does your MT4 look different? Because you have different rollover times, so your broker probably has different candles. Different brokers, right? Your trading broker is probably different too. All right, gold. Can we get a nice top wick here? And yo, chat, this might be the top wick, and then if that's the top wick, that's fine. We can maybe even use a small time frame to enter. can't hear you, Wix. You're talking. You're going your Zoom, right? And then going to Arrow, and choose Astro headset as your mic. Because your microphone probably changed when you disconnected it.
No.
I hear you now. It's on your laptop probably.
You hear me now?
Yeah.
The microphone didn't change, but when it shut off, like I could hear you, but for some reason the mic shut off. But it was still on the same one. I just changed it and changed it back, and now it's working. But yeah,
Might be a bug. So when I'm in profit on a trade, the news takes me out. I just explained to you how you could avoid that situation. You might need to work on, it's not the news that's affecting your trades. What it could be is your technical analysis alone. So don't blame the news. It might be your technical analysis. That might need more sample size and backtesting. Whatever you're doing right now may not be, you know, where you would like it to be.
Yo,
And that's
we
okay.
we got the topic for the previous 30. Might get a topic for the previous hour.
Yes. The only issue here is this current count stops, man. Like, I wouldn't mind having this, but shit. It can easily re-break the highs.
A lot of bearish momentum.
I know. If it was if this previous count stop was 40 pips, perfect sell stop right here. No doubt in my mind.
We're bearish. There's no.
How big a previous count stop? Maybe we can use the 1 hour stops. 33 pips. What up, K? What's going on? Oh, nice. Check. I have a sell stop here. For now, I'm probably gonna have it on the stop loss. Probably on a Pierce 1 hour candle, but this is a sell stop. The flip of the candle. Sell stop at 1730.298. So it's gonna be the break of the current candle lows on the 4 hour candle. Again, on your broker that price may be different, but on my broker it is 1730.28 on the dot. All right, so that's my sell stop on Blueberry. You could adjust it to your own broker. Because your broker might be different, right? So, but this is my sell stop on the break of 4 candle lows. We got the topic I wanted. 733 got tapped. Perfect scenario.
Yo, Don, you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you on your laptop or your microphone down.
It's on my. It's off the Logitech, off the camera.
Yeah, it's fine. It sounds fine. Not bad.
Okay. Yeah, as long as there's no echo or nothing, because I don't know. This fucking thing. I guess it wasn't charging, and it's dead, and I guess it takes a million years to charge. It'll be by next week. It'll be good.
By next week, he said.
I mean, it'll have at least 3 bars by next week.
It sounds like the old you.
Hey. Sometimes that's good.
Yes.
Take a walk down memory lane right now. Shit, you lucky I'm not a hidden character. Yeah.
You're not an NPC?
Yeah. Ooh, give us the top, quick. Give us the top. Good.
Current count stops. If it breaks 1 hour highs, perfect current count stop. Yeah. Current count stops are gonna be, I mean, 27. Right now I have the previous count stops. Stops are like 31 pips. So GJ. We have gold closures and we have GJ closures. I rather take GJ gold closure than GJ. GJ buys aren't bad though. 1 hour count, 4 count flip. Current count stops and the 4 count sim situation is gold. Just that it's gonna be previous candles or sorry, current count stops. Is this enough of a bottom wick for GJ? Look left. Your target to the left hand side is probably gonna be 162 500 something like that. Looking left, this range to the left hand side here. That's your next resistance, right? What's on? You told me mac and cheese lemonade was bad, but
That's
breading.
That's corned beef hash with eggs, sunny side, eggs over it, and then we got some. Yeah, I mean, my daughter's like, "Are you eating?"
Does your strategy work with smaller accounts, Johnny?
It's that protein for the stream. Yeah, it's for everybody. I'm gonna have some for you. Have some.
Johnny,
Have some for Johnny.
early on you said I don't read comments, but man, does your strategy work with smaller accounts? Johnny, strategy has nothing to do with account size. You're only asking that question because you want to find a way to flip your quote unquote small account to a bigger account. And every strategy works. You just have to make it work for yourself. SMC versus this versus or block versus right? Everything works. And everything could flip a small account. Anything and everything could flip a small account. It comes down to the strategy. Why are you entertaining it? No. I'm only answering Johnny because earlier he called me out for not answering every question on stream. So, man, Johnny, he's a thing, Johnny. He's a thing, Johnny. A 100K account versus a $100 account are two different accounts, right? But what is the same within both accounts, or what could be the same? Percentage, right? Percentage. So 1% on a 100K account versus 1% on a $100 account, there's no difference. There's no difference at all. 1% is 1%. So yes, you can make 1%, on either account, on whatever strategy you want to choose. So this is normal? No. Johnny is special. We have to answer Johnny's questions. or else he would yell at me. Sheesh.
Said no, Johnny's special.
We're giving the special treatment. Your answer all his questions only from now on. Only his questions.
Better start asking questions.
John, how long have you been training for? Sheesh. Sheesh. Ike number 2 yelling over here in a car seat. Whoosh. Who are you yelling to? Marcos?
He's yelling at his autopilot. Like, fuck you turn right here for?
I like a lot, bro. I thought you left the stream forever.
What up?
Yeah, you like my new shorts thumbnail? My new shorts cover? Very fire.
How do I see it? What the heck is that?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Like a 19th century painting.
Yo, it's the new Shorts channel cover. You get it? The Shorts channel, like shorts.
He said, "What the fuck is that?"
That is terrible.
Nah, that's what Nick Merckx did. So
Yo,
I'm gonna copy his wave.
Before stream.
Look at the Shorts channel.
Yeah, his looks good. Yours is weird.
Nah.
Yours looks like I made it in Microsoft Paint with the oval feature.
Nah, that's what it is, no?
Who made that?
Yo, that was the vision.
Was that MM?
Hey, first they laugh, then they copy.
Tell him in a private chat about it. Can't call this out on stream. Say, what the fuck is that?
Hey.
I want animated
It
done.
looks terrible.
Yo, it's
That
all
looks good.
It's all
What
fun.
was that other one?
It's all
that you just showed me.
It's all fun and games until every other streamer out there starts copying our shirt, huh? Wait, which one?
They always do that though. You know they're gonna do that.
Which one? This one? This one's
No,
fire.
it looks better without the white background.
Mac and cheese lemonade.
What the heck is that?
Yo, we went over this. This is disgusting.
This
That's
is
nasty.
That is amazing. That's God's work right there, man.
Bro, I think I'd rather drink glizzy water than that.
What?
That's gross.
Hold on.
Water?
Pause.
Wait, chat. Hold on. Oh. What you say? Hold on. Wait.
Ooh, in the what now?
What?
Wait. What?
I'd rather drink glizzy water.
Whose glizzy water are you talking about?
Fuck you mean who's glizzy water? Hot dog water.
Nah, you didn't mean that, Wixland.
What? Glizzies are hot dogs.
Not in the year of 2021.
I don't know what the fuck you're talking about. I know a glizzy is a hot dog.
Oh, brother. Hey.
How you cook your hot dogs?
I put them in the microwave.
You're shot. No way.
Hey.
You eat microwave hot dogs? You're gonna die in like 4 years, bro. Like, what do you mean?
This guy thinks that.
That's digging deeper and deeper.
Wix, like, you're going down a dark hole right now. Yo. You go down a dark path. You need to exit. You need to close here for your full margin.
There's a generational gap here. All right.
Jeez, these styles keep getting bigger and bigger.
What the heck's going on here?
Oh man. All right, DJ. I mean, gold. Anytime now. Oh man. Show some respect for your West Coast followers. Hey, we were in the West Coast last week. I love the West Coast. You start your day up at 3. You start your day at 3 a.m. and you finish your stream at like 6 a.m., 7 a.m. maybe. And you have the rest of the day to do whatever you want. Go to the gym at 9, finish off at 11. Man, your day is done. What are you gonna do after that? From 12 to 8 p.m. Asian session, what are you gonna do? West Coast is actually pretty clutch. If you can wake up at 3 a.m. in the morning every day, obviously you gotta sacrifice some night stuff, but for the most part, pretty big win. How's Apex grind going? Yeah, nah, like we went down a dark hole yesterday. We got so frustrated, but we kept playing.
You guys were getting clapped?
We were getting bored.
Why'd you guys change your names? FOREX and what was yours?
Wake up filthy. Nah, we just got bored. I want to have Dawn. I don't know. People have different names than Apex. Like, I want to have something else.
That's why you got clapped. Did you guys get demoted?
Yeah, but I mean, we can easily make it back up.
Damn.
No, but yeah, like we got a clap, but we kept playing. We're just bored, so we just kept playing randoms, and I mean, I don't really care, cause goal obviously whatever, right? But man, was it frustrating? I was actually frustrated at the random. Like, I was yelling at the random, like, yo, random, he's one shot. Nah, I gotta show you a video after. Oh, man. Yo, Johnny's back. Johnny, don't tell me you didn't hear anything we said earlier, man. Are you considering GG buys at the 4-hour candle? I'd rather take gold sells, to be honest. Just because the day bias and gold is bearish. GG day bias is like bearish too. And yeah. I'd rather take gold sells if I were to choose between the two. I saw sell stops here, but we may have to use a smarter stop on a smaller time frame. But overall, as long as the 4 candle doesn't break the highs, the thing can flip bearish. Again, it comes down, it just stops. That's it. Alright guys, see you tomorrow. Wait, where are you going, Circle?
You waited all this time.
Circle! You eat KFC, bro? Every day of my lifetime. You guys have KFC in America? Kentucky Fried Chicken?
Brother, do you know where Kentucky is?
You know where Kentucky is?
Well,
Bro,
well, do you guys have
Yeah.
Somebody clip that.
you guys have well, you guys have Tim Hortons in America. And Tim Hortons is a hockey player that was born in Canada. So yeah.
Where's there a Tim Hortons in America?
Boston.
What? Is there really?
No. Oh no, that's my bad. No. No, I swear they do have Tim Hortons in America somewhere. I'm pretty sure somewhere in America they have, like somewhere like up in the north for sure, near Canada. Let me check.
Oh Jesus.
I'm pretty sure somewhere up north, like Buffalo or some
Probably
shit.
a Tim Hortons on the border, on the Toronto side. That's it.
Might be wrong, but they do have
Ohio.
they do have TD Bank, which is Canada Trust in America.
We never had Tim Hortons when I went to Canada.
Yeah, I know.
We went to, what was it? Blends? That place was fire.
Some local coffee shop. New York has one? What, Tim Hortons?
Really?
Huh?
I'm gonna go right now.
Tim's in Buffalo.
Let me see.
Tim's in Michigan.
Oh, yeah. There is.
Hey, you see?
Oh, it's nowhere near me. It's not New York City.
It's probably in Rochester, where the greatest things in life are. The greatest things in life are in
Queens.
Rochester. Someone told me that one time.
True.
Knapp Street in Brooklyn. You know, I used to work on Knapp Street in Brooklyn a long, long time ago.
Tim Hortons in the UK? Damn, they branded they. Oh, I think
Compete.
I think they have Tim Hortons in India now. I heard that. Yeah. Damn, Tim Hortons opening
Global.
up, going global. All right, Chad. This sell stop.
I'm not gonna lie. I've never seen a Tim Hortons in my life, ever. Like
This Canada
must
thing. That's
be-
why.
they must be those gas station coffee shops next to a 7-Eleven.
Tim Hortons chat is is basically the Dunkin' Donuts of America. It's that basic coffee shop, the franchise. Actually, no. What's the most popular franchise coffee brand in America? Starbucks.
It's probably Starbucks and Dunkin's.
We have Starbucks here too, but Tim Hortons is just,
I'm gonna
I
look
guess,
it up.
Dunkin' Donuts. Tim
What's
Hortons.
bigger, Dunkin's or Starbucks?
Starbucks is definitely bigger.
It says Starbucks, yeah.
Yeah, Tim Hortons is that local coffee shop franchise.
Damn, it's not even close. Starbucks 22 billion, Dunkin' just about $1 billion.
What stores in America?
Dollars.
Yo, you know this is like a 65 pip stop here, right?
Yeah, we're not gonna have a 65 pip stop. We're gonna have a small type of stop and price will come down. But I'm gonna leave my screen here until then.
I'm actually just coming on stream to watch you delete stops and we do the Wordle. That's my new schedule.
You found your niche in the Wordle game.
Yeah.
That's your shit. You're like the Jason Kidd of Wordle.
Oh, what?
You got all these assists, all these alley oops.
Man, I do it all. Triple double.
I
Oscar
should.
Robinson.
He's a double machine in Wordle.
I should have just streamed the NY session yesterday or the London session last night.
London, that should have happened, yeah.
Right, Wix?
I'm down. Let's go.
No, I hit Wix sign up at 2:41 a.m. because I thought he would maybe he'll be awake. I knew Marco was definitely sleeping, but 2:41 a.m. like, what you do, my boy? Replies at 5:11 was sleeping.
But
Like all the normal men and women.
I
Nope.
probably would have been up if it wasn't first day of school for the second kid.
Well, and usually you wake up at 3 a.m. in the morning, so I'm figuring, okay, let me try my luck.
Yeah, typically I'll wake up at like 3, check the charts, and then back.
When I stream it, because I don't know if I was that committed to streaming. I was fine just sending a signal and calling it.
But it
Streaming
was
is
so
a whole
juicy.
different world. Just a whole different
was-
world. Yeah,
It was setting up so juicy.
it was nice, fat, and juicy, for sure.
When Don does that, he's usually pretty confident. He saw it. He's like, "Shit, this is gonna be smacking tonight. We're gonna need to. It'd be dope if we stream this." When did it smack? By like 4 a.m. Right?
It's alright.
What time did
Yes.
you close the trade?
4:20
Nice, perfect.
or 4:10, something like that.
Just
Yeah.
in time to celebrate.
Chat is very nice today. Hey, chat's been vibey today. Ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, but your ass gonna jinx it. Chat's really nice today. I give it 20 minutes till we're over 1K viewers, and chat goes fucking
Oh,
wild.
we were.
Chat turns into Chad.
No. We hit the 1K. We hit the 1K when Johnny came by. So that's when things got kind of. I give Johnny a nice answer, and he comes back and asks the question, "You guys play Fortnite?" Like, come on, man. And then you ask like why I don't answer every question, because look, you asked all those questions. I replied, I got no response from you, and then all of a sudden, you play Fortnite? Man.
Johnny FOREX with the dub.
So this is why I don't give energy towards certain questions, because I need to see some type of commitment to the streams first from you guys, you know? Like, I wasted a lot of that energy replying to your question. I mean, I hope someone else understood the answer at least, or took advantage of it. Sheesh. Alright guys, well, I guess I'm gonna delete these sell stops here for now. On gold. We might not even flip bearish, we might even just break the highs, but
Bias is bearish.
what's your bias in gold? It was bearish. We sent it in the Don's NASA channel during Asian. We sent it when gold was at, I think it was 17. Where's my gold? 1748, and we targeted what was my target today? 1734, 35 it was initially?
45. Oh, and then sells would be.
Yeah. I mean, of the entire daily count today was dropped, I think, over 200 pips. 200 pips. I caught 30 pips. So I caught, you could say, 15% of the move, right? Is that right? Or I might be wrong. GJ flipping? Ooh, GJ might be the play. What time is it? A minute left for a 30 candle? Okay, might get 3rd minute start play. If oh wow.
This would be great. If it
Ooh.
goes there, you'll have a range to break out here.
How big are stops in the current candle? 28 for 28. Oh, that's 1-to-1 on a dot. Wow. On a break of the previous kind of high. Ooh, 3rd minute candle's about closing in about 51 seconds here. Yeah, check it. Buy stops here, not bad. 3rd minute starter play / 4-hour flip. 3rd minute candle came down, created a bottom wick for the previous 3rd minute candle as well. You close bearish here, you break the highs on the 30 / the 4-hour kind of wick fill or range fill. Not bad. I mean, we don't have gold anymore. Stops are kind of massive, but we definitely have GJs though, which is definitely still valid. Stops are like a 1-to-1 too. Might have some GJ buys here. When was the last time that we had a GJ buy stop or a GJ position? It's been a while. Oh, let's see. Let's see first though. Let's see how we close here in about 7 seconds. I want to see it close above. If it closes below, I may not enter. We may do a Wordle and call it. And we close right below. Well, never mind, chat. Never mind. We're going to delete this buy stop. 3rd minute does not give you that start play. We close right below it. 4 can still flip, but man, I really wanted the extra confirmation, which is the 3rd minute start play there.
It's 9:30. There's gonna be some volume coming in here though.
Some volume for gold to drop down, right?
Be nice. Get a smaller stop on a fake out.
We may break the lows here and stops may exceed 28 too for GJ. Oh man.
I have a level right where it's at 970. 161, 970.
You have a buy stop?
I still have my buy stop. Yeah, I got half a position.
Yeah, I really want a 30, like the 30 extra confirmation there. I drew my support off of this to the left at 162.047. Yeah, I don't have any buy stops here. Did they flip? Yeah, it did. It definitely did. Definitely did. What do you have to support, John Wicks?
161, 970.
970. Then how am I drawn off of here to the left hand side? 162.049. Did we close right? I mean, we closed right at it.
It closed right at that one, yeah, and then the wicks never broke 970, which was a previous support I had.
I think because earlier I had it drawn like this. Yeah, I don't know. I don't have any sell stops, buy stops there. I don't know. I don't have any positions there. Wow, gold's driving up. How big are current count stops? The current count difference is the 3 pips here. Current count stops 24, TP is 30. You have the previous count stops or current count stops?
On GJ?
Yeah.
I have stops at 161,910.
Oh man.
But I have the break of the previous high. And the thing is, on the 30, we created a bottom wick for the previous candle, right?
Yeah. This is interesting here. You have if you guys see this over here to the left, we're in a very similar situation here. Very similar situation here. This 4 count right now is discount to the left here. Bottom wick came down, tapped that support perfectly.
Yeah.
You flip bullish. You could top the top of the range here at 162,300. You know what, chat? I am going to have a buy stop actually off the break of this high here. The previous high though, not the current kind of high. The previous high, the 4-hour candle, which is 162,197 here. Buy stops here, but if it breaks the lows at 161,908, I will delete them because the R won't be there anymore. But as of right now, yeah, 163,197 going up towards 162. You can probably target like 162,600. Not bad.
162, not 163.
162,600, yeah. 161,910 is the stop loss.
Yeah, my buy stop is 162,204.
Nice. Damn, gold's really not gonna flip.
Yeah, I'm going half risk here.
I still got. I'm going for risk here.
Yeah, for me, with my entry, this is exactly 30 pip stop, 29.4.
Yeah, chat. Blueberry stops our positions the same position, 197. We may break the lows here though, so I mean, again, this might be our third position that we have today that doesn't get activated that we might delete. Yep. There goes. The banks heard me say, all right, chat, I got a buy stop here. And they said, yo, let's go down and break the lows first before we drive up here. Lovely.
Did it break the lows for you? It hasn't broken the
No,
lows?
not yet. But I'm just saying, like, just because it's it may break the lows there. It will. It will. Right, banks? You heard me? I'm not entering no more, banks. I swear. I'm not entering no more. Oh. This is very interesting though. This right here, this concept right here, very interesting concept. This mirror to the left, same exact mirror. Right? Tap into those zones there. Top of the zone takes you up towards these levels to the left here. The bottom wick was on the dot 2, literally right here. You flip bullish, you feel the range going up. I can choose maybe white for that. So this is the range going up. This is the range going up. Very similar situation on GJ. That's what kind of sparked it. Gold range 2. Let's see the 4 breaks the highs first. What gold could do really is just create a topic for all his counts to the left here still. But see, I'll be here till 10 a.m. chat. See what gold does. Could be interesting 10 a.m. candle. Could not. That's some crazy analysis. Shout out to Ted.
Bro, what are these boxes?
I was trying to compare it to you guys, like looking left, how far left we look, like telling a story on a higher time frame, telling a story on a 4-hour time frame, right?
Like 9,000.
What? Hey, yo, Wix. What's going on today, Wix?
I read the, what do you mean? It says that down vote, Gluck 9,000.
Hey, Banks, I swear I'm not getting in, Banks, I swear. If you're watching the stream, I'm not getting in.
It's too late.
All right, watch. All right, guys, we broke the lows. I am going to delete the sell stops. All right, watch. Things gonna flip now. Oh, deleting sell stops here, guys, officially. Or buy stops, sorry, not sell stops. Great.
What?
Lovely. Yeah, I'm gonna take a little quick break before the 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. count here, potentially. Let's see. Honestly, if you guys think about it, 6:30 came. 6:30, nothing much happened since then. It's been kind of since we started streaming. And London was it. Let's do a wordo. Let's do a Wardo. All right, to the Wordle.
Nice.
To the people who believe for Wordle, goodbye. If you're staying, thank you.
Ooh,
Nice.
that's pretty good.
Yeah.
Go like rents, like rent. RENTS. There you go. Got an E in there. PER.
I was thinking PE, but
PER.
not thinking of anything with this, to be honest.
Could be T in the middle.
Yeah. Could be 2 T's or it could be 2 E's or something.
Merit. MERIT. There you go.
You're fucking out of control.
Let's fucking go.
Oh, that was fun.
Fucking put this guy out right now.
Let's go.
Oh, chat.
I didn't get it before
This
chat.
guy
They're gonna
show.
start screaming cheater right now. Watch.
Good. Bring it on. Nah, Martin got it before me. Fair enough. Usually Chad doesn't get it first. GG.
Merit. What a savage.
I'm back.
Back, baby.
Haven't got a good guess like that in like 2 weeks.
Well, I got rid of nobody.
You have to solve it fast enough for them to not leave.
Well, I did have the first guess, chat, so.
You always have the first guess.
I do. What now, guys? What
Gold,
y'all wanna do?
Gold never broke. Did it break?
Gold? Yes, it did, but it can still flip. Oh no, it didn't. It didn't. It didn't.
Didn't break for me.
Didn't. Didn't. Yeah, you still get a fake out. Let's see, 10 a.m. here. Give it 16 minutes, 30-minute count closure, 15 closure below.
This is good. If it does flip in the 4-hour drives, wow.
Gold's bipolar. Is it
Oh, no.
bipolar, or you just think it's bipolar? Like, is it bipolar, or making, or do you just get manipulated by the ups and downs of it?
I love how every few weeks people are like, gold's bipolar, gold's weird, gold's doing all this weird. Like, no, like if it does this every few weeks, this is the standard for gold then. This is just what it does. Characteristics of you know, money moving around the world using gold. It's banks, man.
Fast word on
Right.
stream? No, we had a faster word before. Way faster before.
We got it second, I think, right? Once or twice.
We almost got a first once. I almost had a heart attack on the word trade.
One day it's gonna be trade.
No, I'm pretty sure today is trade. Chats and ruin it, so.
True.
I think it was range once. That's what it was.
Thing
That's
out
right.
Adam454 in the chat. Don, today's word though is trade. Try it out. Oh, really? Shit. I mean, technically we'll win that way, but. We're looking young today?
Nah, I got my whole beard on. What you mean? When I shave, then I'm looking young. Why you blow us up?
Always kind of laugh like Koala if we wanted to. Bro, this is one time me and Marcus were driving in Vancouver.
Wait, what?
I didn't think you remember this, bro. I don't think you actually remember this shit.
What?
We got in the car. This guy starts laughing like Koala for 20 minutes straight, bro. I swear to God.
I remember. That was on the way to the casino.
No, I was on the way to dinner.
Oh, dinner.
Bro, man was.
Guys, I was on another planet, alright?
Oh my God.
I was just traveling, right? Oof.
Bruh.
Damn.
Damn. Rick Special. This is a banger, chat. This is a heater.
Mute my music. Okay.
GJ. The banks heard me, guys. See, it came down an extra 5 pips, broke the lows. Hey, how big are stops now? 35. I mean, you still have that potential trade on GJ. Probably want to see how the 1 hour closes.
What you mean, what's not without weed? Is just with I'm with weed. I smoked on my way to school. That's why I say, yo, if you's in South Florida, stay off the roads for the next half hour.
Wes, imagine you Imagine your life without getting fried every day ever again. What'd you do?
Fried? No. I don't get fried every day.
Oh, my bad. This is your natural shit. This is your medicine.
That's my medicine. It's just like you do Forex every day. I smoke every day.
I hit the Forex every day.
Yeah, imagine you without Forex every day.
What do you mean?
Just
Well,
saying.
me without Forex? Take oxygen?
Someone said we got to keep reminding Marcos to blink.
Yeah, I was watching a compilation, alright? Pedro Neto.
Another.
Life without Forex would suck.
Need another coffee, man.
You need our coffee?
Oh, shush.
Shit.
Shush. Leave me alone.
Hey,
Leave me alone, man. I'm shaking.
Go
not gonna lie.
go get another coffee. There's nothing wrong with that.
Go, don't procrastinate. You know what I'm saying? Don't just watch other people get coffee. Get yours.
Alright.
Alright?
Interesting question
Life's
here.
a book you write. It's not a movie you watch. Go do it.
Oh,
Go get
relax.
coffee.
Relax, Mr. Miyagi. Alright, I have a little bit of stock left and I have a whole new thing of Starbucks cold brew. Can I mix them or is that like a sin?
No. See, Paul would say negative right now.
No. Seriously.
That's a
Don,
negative.
thoughts?
Do it. I don't know what you said, but do it.
Bruh,
What'd you ask?
this guy.
I was looking at gold dropping. I got distracted.
I got 2 types of cold brew left, but I only have a little bit of my stock and then I have a bunch of Starbucks. Should I mix them? Is that a thing or no?
Yeah, why not?
I'm gonna die.
Caffeine's caffeine, right? Yeah, you know, you can't fuck caffeine up. Caffeine's a substance. The rest is just extra shit. So yeah, you definitely mix it up. Like, right? I'm pretty sure you'll be fine. I mean, if you pass, you pass. GG's.
Deep says there's no rules.
Shit, what's the worst thing to happen?
Just some caffeine and extra shit.
Yeah.
All right.
I mean,
Got me.
the mass caffeine you can consume in a day, or I mean, you can't OD on caffeine. So.
All right, I'm gonna go do that. You answer Johnny's question.
Hey, Johnny, you can. ask
Johnny
me many
is
questions as you want.
back. Could you swing trade your strategy? Well, sure. Why don't we trade NAS 100 because it's so volatile? See, based off your questions, I know what type of trader you are and I know how long you've been trading for. Off of your questions alone and off of the way you replied to my response, I've been in the industry long enough to know how long you've been trading for. You've been trading for 4 months now, but you're at the stage where fuck the mentors. You want to do what you feel like is best for you. I think everyone had that stage. At first, oh yes, mentor, and then screw the mentors. At that stage. How old do you think Johnny is? Johnny's about 21, 22, maybe my age. Johnny, am I right? Been training for 3 years, asking those questions? Oh my god.
He's definitely at the fuck the mentor stage.
3 years asking those questions, Johnny. You could have lied.
He probably has a hit list of mentors at this point right now.
Johnny, you could have lied, Johnny.
Cross them off. Cross them.
Johnny, you could have lied. You definitely could have lied.
Who's responsible for getting
Hey, this goes back to what I said earlier, though. Someone might take 10 years to learn. Someone might take a month to learn. Everyone has a different, learning curve or way of learning. So, no one's judging. But, man, John, 3 years of those questions, man. The question you should be asking is, Don, how do you feel about this chart that I sent you over here? Not, you know, do you play Fortnite? Next question. Why don't you trade NAS 100? It's so volatile. Like,
You're still roasting Johnny?
no, we're not roasting Johnny. We just answering questions, you know.
This is your path to modhood.
Adam Paul versus
Johnny's
Johnny.
getting jumped in right now. We're jumping Johnny into Chad.
Jumped in. That's not funny.
We're not roasting Johnny.
Initiation process. What the fuck did you just drop?
Sorry, I was
Why is there
was
pots and pans in your room, guys?
sorry, I was cooking up the pips. My fault.
Why is there a fucking pot in your room?
I was cooking up pips.
Tell me you got an air fryer next to your computer right now. Tell me an air
Someone
fryer
had
is part
that.
of the setup.
Bruh. All right, man. Ah, man. He just dropped a hammer. It's the mod. And the yeah, we got a band of mods.
He does have a rice cooker next to his fucking computer. Right, it's his 3700, right? Your GeForce RTX 3700 powering your rice cooker.
You have a 10-minute segment where you roast people? No, I'm Canadian. I don't do that stuff. I'm Canadian. Maybe if I move to America, yeah, but I'm not verified to do that stuff yet. I'm Canadian here. I say sorry for the dumb questions people ask.
How long till you're living in the US?
Depends when my Canada contract ends. I'm signed with Canada right now for another 2 years. So after my contract ends, I can re-sign, get a max contract to go to the US, or I can move to somewhere else in the world.
Ask for a buyout. Bet on yourself.
Buyout?
Yeah.
I don't think I can ask for a buyout. I think I can ask for a trade. I can trade. So
Tell them if they want to keep you, they gotta pay up.
oh, let's see. Maybe if I open my own broker, I'll move to a different country.
You're moving to New York regardless.
I'm moving to a different country like India. I'm disappearing. Moving to the islands.
I'll buy you, Don. How much? Offer up. A gold closes in 3 minutes, guys.
Bottom wick.
Forecast didn't break the highs.
That's a whole lot of water.
That's so much water, man. Like that's more. That's a lot of glizzy water, right, Wix?
No, this isn't glizzy water. This is fucking Starbucks. Right?
You know,
10 a.m. glizzy.
new
60
word for water bottles: the glizzy grab.
Yo.
I don't know what glizzies you grab. You better. You grab my glizzy, you better run, goddamn. Stay away from these glizzies.
Yeah, dude.
I just know chat approves.
Yo, chat. New word.
Oh, man.
Nah, bro. Hey, man.
Hey, my man.
It's how funny games to get stopped out. Chat. Johnny, you can't stay on one question now. It's like pair game. What do you think about Gio about to hit all-time lows on a weekly time frame? Shit, what can I do about it? I think that is great for people trading with the trend because all you gotta do is close your eyes and sell. Oh, I hear that, Wick. Sorry. I mean, what more do you want me to say? You want me to give an answer like, yeah, I think it will eventually reverse and start stacking buys now. Is that what you want to hear?
Stacking buys.
I mean, weekly at lows, you just continue the trend. There's no real low in FX, right? There's no real high in FX either. Just follow a trend till it breaks. Chat, 30-minute closure below the range here. Ain't too bad. Just need a top wick for current count stops, 'cause I believe previous count stops are a little wide. 50 pips, godly. Yeah, you really want current count stops. So you can come up tap like 35. We'll have a self stop here. Damn, GJ. 34 seconds, guys. Let's see what to do here. I wonder if Sunshine gets bored of me sometimes. To like, damn, man, so many delete stops here. The past 3 days have been delete stops, delete buy stops, delete stops, delete buy stops. I mean, it's part of trading, man. This is the plan, you know? What's target here? You're probably going to target the 4-hour flip. So you're probably targeting like 1721 here. Again, just need a top wick chat for current count stops for me. And then I'll be fine. 1 hour close below the range too. That's all you need. Previous count stops are wide, so we're kind of forced to wait for current count, right? So let's see where that is. Knowing gold and knowing how the banks watch their streams probably won't get anything, so if you guys want to leave now, feel free to do so.
Positivity seeping through your pores.
Positivity.
ID.
Might just go off. Go off, King.
No. Hold on. The hourly though.
Oh wow. We're actually D'ing. ID.
We're actually what? Whoa, what's all this talk today, guys? What's going on?
Oh my god.
All of us took the pill or something?
Get this guy a map.
This guy said, I guess it did.
Free the top G. Damn.
That escalated quickly.
I mean, it makes sense that all that water grab, like, what are the chances of us rigging a top wick for current count stops? Like, realistically, chap, if it wasn't for previous count stops, stops using previous count stops would be valid, but stops are massive, right? If it comes to 10:15, 10:30, and we don't have nothing, I'm gonna call it a day, guys. Sadly, but it's just how things go. Why is this on my channel?
The cookie crumbles.
888 watching. Hey, angel numbers. I like a number. Oh, nice. Okay. Oh, great. You did all of that, and now the advantage point is only 14 pips.
Whee.
Let's see. Where's the resistance on 30 here? Where can we create a topic at? What's this over here? That's there. Hmm. 34. The issue with this now that I drove down already, your stops are going to have to be near lows of this candle. Don't get me wrong, the 1 hour can still flip and drive up, right? The 1 hour is still bullish, but the 1 hour closed below the resistance. With the 4 being bearish though, right? So probably it shows that it's likely to drive down. But thing is, like, your stop also has to be down here now. 31.881. You missed that 20 pip range. Let's see. Right now, if we flip here, stops are going to be 21 pips. Let's see, 31.
We don't need the flip. You need to break out of lows, though.
Sorry, break out lows. What I meant, yeah. 862. I'll have to flip if we come up to like create a steeper wick.
Yeah, that's good. See how you feel about that, but you really need a steep wick to maybe the top of the body here, the previous body. Maybe break the previous 15.
Sell stops here, chat on the breakout lows.
17.31.73.
10 a.m. degen trading. Nice. So I guess you can say my rule, whatever you can call it here, until I want to delete is the TP for us. The advantage point for us is here going to be 14 pips, I believe, towards that next support to left clean traffic. And then your TP with the 4 counter, because if this thing flips, right, it's the 4 anticipation to flip bearish. Your target is 17.21, 419. So this is like a potential 100 runner with a current count stop. So stops for me, I probably wouldn't want it to exceed like 4 pips. Anything below 1735, 949 is fine for me. I'll still leave them here. But if it decides to close below, then we just delete and call it a day, because price may just continue to drive up with the 1 hour candle. Capiche, capiche, capiche. Messy assist? Why is everyone talking about messy assist today? Can you see it?
Mid. Oh yeah, huge game today. United versus Liverpool. Chat. Arsenal's winning the league. That was a good assist. They did the kickoff glitch in FIFA.
Is that him?
That's Neymar on ball. And he passed us it.
Ooh.
Messi passed to Mbappe.
Well, what team is this? Why are they so stacked?
They're better than any
PSG's.
fucking.
It's the richest team in the
national
world.
team.
Bro, why are they so... Who, they have Neymar, Messi, and Mbappe?
The Sergio Ramos is the best center back of all time right there.
Wait, hold on.
well.
They got those 3 players on one team?
And and they still haven't won the league, the Champions
Ramos,
League.
Messi, Neymar, and Mbappe.
And they still haven't
Bro.
won the Champions League.
Wait, did they win yesterday, though?
Yeah, then France. PSG wins the French league almost every year.
Jeez.
No, Carlo. I think Liverpool is iffy. They don't have Jota today. They don't have Nunez today. They're probably still gonna win 3-0. You're right.
Golly. That's a pretty crazy team. How much is that team worth?
Billion plus. They're paying Mbappe. I think what's Mbappe's wage, chat? I think it's like 500,000 pounds a week. Crazy.
Mbappe.
And they offered him like he like picks who the coach and the players are too, like the LeBron of the team.
Cristiano Ronaldo, Suey.
Imagine they get
the place today.
Imagine they get Ronaldo next. Yeah, team would be like, dude, what's the point of playing soccer at that point? I retire. I would have just quit my where position I'm at.
Too bad they still lost to who did they lose to last year? City?
Looks like we're going to delete. Yeah. Of course we delete. Of course. But hey, at least we didn't get clapped because we waited for a top wick, right, chat? If you got in, then you got 1 clip on Apex just now. You definitely got 1 clip on the R9. Speaking about Apex.
You gonna play Apex?
Are you gonna play Apex?
I'm gonna run tonight.
You have to run tonight? I bet.
Yeah. I don't wanna run midday anymore. Wait, what? What? What did you say?
Hey, you answered the question, not me.
Don's on one today.
Yeah, I don't like around midday too because I suck during midday for some reason.
It's just I'm like you know why, right? It's because like I feel like I have stuff to do, so I play worse. I play too aggressive. When
Yeah,
I'm like
you're
done for the
anxious.
day, yeah. When I'm done for the day, just relax. I play. So this is why. Remember how I always text you at night with like a random win? I always win at night.
Okay,
I'm
so
so chill.
so let's play tonight then.
I'm definitely running tonight.
All right,
Stream?
we're on tonight.
Late
Yeah.
night Apex stream.
What time? I'll be there on the dot.
I could be there at. Check my schedule. I could be there at 6:30.
Cool, that's fine.
Unless you wanted to go later.
No, I didn't sleep today, so I got time at nap, baby.
I'm trying to hit diamond this season. I mean, I'm gonna hit diamond, but I want to hit it soon.
The bank's on you today? Facts, man. They're on me. Not during London though, because during London didn't stream, so of course I get a London session. Yeah, chat. I think we're done here though. To be honest.
What do you mean losing trades and smiling?
What?
Who's losing trades?
Who is losing trades on Controller FX's stream today, huh?
Exclamation point.
You,
Trades.
my friend, are watching a wrong stream.
Get that guy a map.
You need some milk.
Losing trades.
He needs some milk.
Every 10 minutes, he's been popping in a comment, just talking shit.
Bro, we haven't lost a trade on stream since the 16th.
You know when that was?
Was that actually the 16th?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it was
last
16.
year.
We haven't lost him how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trades without losing?
Oh, and Signals, yeah.
No, I was talking about trades. Stream trades. Oh, Signal's even better.
Yeah, even better.
That's a smooth move.
You said go to center one, but are we in a position is the question. Just like we said, gold was gonna go down to 1735.
Did you post that clip of the predictions?
Yes,
you sent
of
me?
course. We posted that clip of
Pull it up. Pull it up.
So you can go get your ass over there, get the channel up, man. Like I ain't gonna do that shit, man. Nah, nah, I'm just playing with you. But
We never say something will happen. We say if
We
this happens,
say
then you
if.
can expect this to happen.
our trades are on the spreadsheet with the timestamp.
Never do we call a price out and say this will happen.
This guy said, streamer said it's going to 1721. Execute.
Yeah, we said wait for closures at the beginning. We had self styles a bunch of times. Didn't activate, delete, done. How's that no though? I ran out of trade.
Ooh, enhanced.
If that was the case, man, then we won today. We won on this trade that we called in this analysis 200 plus pips today. But
I'm rich as fuck if I could just call the direction and get money for it.
yeah.
Hey, got a dono.
Hey, enhanced dollar donut. Appreciate it, brother. I seen someone donated $1 earlier. I appreciate that too, man. What's your percent for a day? I think I'm up like less than 1%. What the hell, boy? Hey, man. I don't know. God step in.
You need to find God.
Yeah, I seen that comment. God step in by Kanye. That was mad funny. He was just like, he sent this whole paragraph. Yeezy is 68% of ideas in the sales. God step in. That's mad funny. Fine.
God
man.
step in. Fake out.
Never mock God. Hey, man. You know, I don't know what happened in the last 10 minutes here with chat, but I think it's time we dip here, guys. We flood from the scene because it's about to get real bloody in the chat. So on that note, guys, I guess I'm gonna call it a day today, to be honest. I guess we're gonna call that a day today. We only had one trade today during the lunch session, and that was it. That was one trade we had. As for the stream, we had multiple petting orders, but we deleted them. And there was no positions activated for us, right? But hey, at least we didn't take a loss today. At least we didn't get impulsed today. There was plenty of times where price, you know, moved without us, and you could have had FOMO, but we stayed disciplined, stuck to our plan, and things played out in our favor, I should say. I think today FOMO lost 3 times. We won all 3 times with patience and discipline. So definitely W day in terms of growth. But yeah, aside from that, guys, I think I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna hop off, take a nap or something, finish my vlogs up or something. Also, chat, if you guys want to watch the VODs on our YouTube channel, the VODs on our YouTube channel is now under our playlist called if you're on the main page here, homepage, it shows like full live stream VODs. That's where the VODs are at. If you go on videos, it's just our videos and shit, so you guys won't see it there. Aside from that, our shorts channel, we're also gonna be uploading shorts there as well. So no more shorts on this channel, so follow up on those channels if you guys want to. But yeah, guys, I appreciate you guys for being here today. It's a great day, and
peace and love.
On to tomorrow.
Peace.
Love you guys. Peace out. Peace out. What's his name again?
Johnny.
Peace out, Johnny.
Later, Johnny.
What are your thoughts on SMC traders? SMC traders? Alright, we dipping off, man. No. We hopping off, guys.
I'll see you tonight, Don.
Later, man.
Daddy chill.
Peace out, Wix.
Daddy chill.
We do not care.
I'm a vibe and I run it as usual. I the only come around just to make it. And I can shake things, but I break it. You name it, boy. Who knew? I won't care for the things that you do. I could turn, let everyone try me. Cause you're never gonna get what's for me. Yeah.
Yo, Wix, sing along. Sing along, Wix. The chat, everyone sing along. Sing along, chat.
Put your lighters up.
Yo, this song. The song brings it back to my blown accounts. The song is for those blown accounts.
I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my earnings. The fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. I tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. I tried to get by, but I'm burning. And behind my mind, it runs. All these thoughts have troubled me. Fighting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. Right, yeah. I really need time. I need
Hughes Way account. Rest in peace. Trey's Way account. Rest in peace. T4's account. Rest in peace. Vantage FX account. Rest in peace.
I really need my now. Yeah.
FXCM account. Rest in
This is the
peace.
peace that you cannot buy. Send me a love that you cannot mix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one price that you cannot fix. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Finding a way where you cannot see. Man with this system, he cannot pray. I need to find relief. But behind
boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Hey, I don't, yeah, oh no. I might be falling deep. I might be falling deep.
It's me, Mickey Mouse. Say, you wanna come inside my clubhouse?
Oh shoot, I don't know what this is playing. Sorry, chat. Oh, peace out, guys. Peace out, peace out, peace out.